family tight, I keep small circle like island. Whoa, inbox full of contracts, I sign with a stylist. Yeah, blue faces blowing up like violet. Talk about the things they're gonna say when they see me, and when they see me, they just dap me up and say good to meet me. I keep it going, flowing over this and make it look easy. Easy for me to say I do this every day of the week. I'm eager to be the one they talk about when all said and done with it. I'm the feature that they want, but then they don't when I come with it. I'm a scene, still a seat, filler, blow up the numbers, and I ain't leaving no crumbs, so you know when I'm done with it. I'm a new school vibe with an old soul, oh so great. Stay paid by the boatload, don't go chasing a wave from a rowboat. Blow smoke right through the face of the ozone. Oh no, I got the bag, I'm back to just double it. I'm about to pop the top, I've been bubbling. They want the spot, but I do not cut them in. They tryna plot my drop, they been huddling. Feeling so tall, I could give a high five to the pilot. Yeah, family tight, I keep small circle.
Alrighty, it's feeling like a Friday today, huh? Why not dance, huh? Why not dance? Welcome in, y'all. Welcome in.
I know a lot of people praying for my downfall, but the only thing that I be down for is being top 5, but like down 4. I'm down to earth like the ground floor, but I've been flying so long, I tend to ask people, what's the ground for? Man, I'm only headed up. See my
all right, how y'all doing? Let's get to it.
Because they haven't had enough. You know I'm running the city, you just running out of luck. Yeah, I said that with my chest. I flow hard. It's no wonder they easily impressed. I'm so far, but I'm always coming back with something fresh. I never rest. Where you'll never catch this ego in a nest. I invest my time in a booth. I find a piece. I used to piece the boom in my mind.
All right, how you guys feeling? Welcome in. Who we got? Z Gamer in the house. Let's get it. What's poppin'? What's poppin', chat? Yay. What up, Maverick? What up, Maverick? Louis G in the building. There he is. There he is. What up, Tamra? Violet. I got the bag. I'm back to just double it. How we feeling? How we feeling? Welcome in. Eagles fly alone in the house. What up, Eric P? Carlos ATL in the building. Let's go. What up, Killshot? What up, Clubhouse? How we feeling? How we feeling? SK here. Danny Cash in the house. What up, Neo? What's poppin'? Price Action Kev in the building. OGH in the house. Let's go. Let's go. Roberto is here. That boy consistent. That man's consistent. What's up, Christian? What up, Yogi? What up, Captain? Ben Bennett in the building. Jay Coop in the house. There he is. Roll call time. Let's go. Let's go. What up, Wokey? What's poppin', brother? What's poppin'? Holy. Drew in the building. What's good, Drew? I can't see. I can't see straight. I don't know. My eyes are bugging. My eyeballs are bugging here. You guys are... Trado Voss in the building. What's poppin', bro? DJ Scratchers in the house. What's good? What's good? Oh, snap. I don't know. I can do it. I can do it. Certified in the house. What's poppin', Certified? Enzo in the building. What's good? What's good? Oh, my goodness. Big Steven. How we feeling, big dog? How we feeling, bro? All right. Well, welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Wow. I think that was like... I sent the link out. I blinked, put my phone on the charger, and there's at like 120 people in here. So holy smokes. Clubhouse on fire. Chat, what's poppin'? What's up, Wilson? Wilson. What's up, Vince? Steven899 in the building. Ali Reza in the house. What up, chat? YouTube squad in the building. Jason C. What's goody, brother? What's good? How we feeling? How we feeling? Mod squad is here. Let's go. What's up, Vishal? Where the mods at? Where the mods at? Let's see where they're at. Z Gamer holding strong. He's holding. Louis G holding strong. All right. Tamara's here. Green. There he is. From day one. I said, yo, Green, can you hear the music? I remember my first stream ever. I said, yo, you on yet? He was like my only viewer. What's poppin', Green? All right, let's do this, man. Good to see you all. Welcome in. Happy Wednesday, which is kind of going to be like a Friday here. Yeah, it's kind of be like a Friday. This is going to be the last New York live stream of the week. We're going to take off tomorrow, take off Friday, and then we be back on Monday. Yeah, Monday. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and pray real quick, and then we'll begin, all right? Let's do it. Father God, we thank you for this gift, the gift of this moment right here. Lord, we thank you that all who seek will find. So, Lord, today we pray that you would help us seek clarity, seek peace, seek your truth. that already lies within us. We know it's not in an outside source, Lord. We know that you created us exactly with the power within. So we thank you for it. We thank you for the great awakening that has taken place, Lord. And we just ask that you would bless this stream with your wisdom, your knowledge, your understanding, and we give you the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. All right, let's do this. Let's do it. Game time, baby. Game time. We are back. Another New York session. Let's lower the music a little bit here. It is, what is today? Today is Wednesday, and it is the 26th day of the month here. So, wow, gang, like, what? Like, how? I don't know. Anyway, we got unemployment claims coming in today, so we got some news coming in at 8:30. There's really no rush for me here. I'll be waiting for the news to come out, probably like 8:45, 9:15 trade, maybe something like that here today. But again, it is Wednesday. It is the 26th of November, creeping towards the end of the month here, and we got some red folders. So we got unemployment claims here at 8:30. We also have some core durable goods. You got some PMI for the Chicago. You got crude oil inventory. So we're back, baby. We're finally back. We got news, and that should be it for our session. You know, you got some more stuff going on a little bit later, but we'll be long gone by then. So that's none of our concern here today. We will look to see what happens at 8:30 for unemployment claims, see if we can get into a move after the news comes out here, and then see how the rest of the session plays out. So another day, another opportunity, man, for us to be patient, disciplined, and take one more day closer to the 8-figure trader mark, right? I mean, I woke up today, I was like, let's go. Like, anybody else fired up when you woke up today? Like, holy crap, another day. It's here. It's in front of us. So we're lit, man. We're lit. So let's enjoy it. Let's go ahead and run through the technicals. Let's do a fresh top-down analysis here, and we'll get to business. If you guys can, give the stream a like for me, though. Give the stream a like for me. I can't let you guys get away with it. YouTube, like the stream, man. Come on. And Clubhouse, come on. Hook it up. Give the stream a like. Sub to the channel. Give it a little view. You know, hook us up, man. Hook us up. All right. Anyways, let's go ahead and get to the breakdown. Let's talk about gold here. This is going to be, let me move over to the daily time frame here. So let's start on the daily as we always do. I think the music should be good here. Should be good. Yeah, I think it should be good here. So let's talk about this daily candle here on gold. So we did end up breaking out of the range yesterday. So you may say, Nick, what range were you talking about? The same one that we talked about yesterday, right? During the New York session when we did the breakdown. You have this range sitting right here, where your daily candle got daily time frame got lost up a little bit in there, and we officially have a candle that closed outside of that range, right? So you had a candle closing outside of this zone here. We do have a lot of clean range moving up to the left, but my only issue now is the lower wick, right? The lower wick is just staring right at me, man. So there's no lower wick on this current daily. Really odd candle, right? I mean, these two candles are both pretty odd in my opinion. So pretty interesting on what we're looking at here. So what I would say is that I am definitely open for sells today, right? I'm also open for the idea if the buys want to work out. I'm going to need to get some more information based off the 4-hour candle to help me analyze this daily candle here. So let's look inside this daily candle and have a look at that 4-hour chart here. So it looks like the 4-hour has been ranging. So you had a nice push up here, like you had this range from yesterday. You had a nice push up. We broke out of the range. We've been remaining above that range as well here. So see how we had a support form right at that recent resistance there. So I think if we can move, we've now broke the lows on the 4-hour, right? So we kind of grabbed the pack there. If we can continue moving up and see signs of that here on the lower time frame, I think this 4-hour can continue moving bullish, right? I want to see what these lows look like, but let's drop down here to the 1-hour here, because right now all is well to move up on this 4-hour candle, right? Look at all this clean range coming up here. To the left hand side, we've already broken the lows. We have a support. If price wants to continue now moving bullish, maybe give us a breakout or something, onion or something like that on the lower time frame, we could anticipate, this 4-hour candle coming up to re-break the high and potentially the next one fill in the range there without giving that daily lower wick. So we'll see about that. Let's drop down to the 1-hour here. Let's make sense of it all. So 1-hour has a yeah, we got a little range here. So you got support at 84. There's no support here just yet. This is a candle closing below this little range there. So until this candle closes bullish, we have zero support here. So you have support at 84. You have resistance here at 07. Yeah, and then that's our 1 hour range now. So let's drop down to the 30-minute, see if we can kind of tighten this up a little bit. So it looks like we are rejecting the downside here, right? So we're rejecting the downside right here. This is also that support level. So what we can potentially do is, if this candle closes bullish, we can adjust that support level, right? Put it up there and now look to say, okay, well, if we're going to remain bullish, we may not need this resistance at 08. If that 4 hour candle wants to continue moving up, you may just get a move out of this area, right? Out of that support that continues driving. So being that we are bullish on both higher time frames, I don't think we necessarily need to keep that 07 area there. So I'm going to delete that right now. Let's drop down to the 15. And yeah, all of this looks pretty good. So had we not have news here in about 10 minutes, I'll most likely be in this candle, but we do have news. So let's see how that news comes out at 8:30. It would be very nice to see if we can get a 30-minute support. Worst case, we do wait for the closures above 07. It's not that bad. Let's look left. I know we have a lot of clean range. Yeah, we have more clean range coming up to 28. So not too bad. Even if we had to wait for that closure, it's really not that big of a deal, right? So let me check that out in the 4 hour. That'll also be the 4 hour candle breaking its high, moving up to potentially fill that wick and really retest this area as a whole, right? This let me get this overall zone here from like this support into that, really into this wick here, right? Somewhere in that range I can see price trying to push up into, right, if we start re-breaking those 4 hour highs. So yeah, that's I think we got price right where we want it. Unfortunately, I'd probably like to take a buy here, but again, my experience before news is they can go either way. So if there wasn't any news here, the buys would look clean, 815 buys to continue moving up, but we do have that. So I'm gonna just sit tight and see how that 30 closes. If we can get a decent lower wick on that 30, right, along with numbers that we're looking for with the news, then maybe we can look to take a buy, right, on the break of the highs to continue moving up. So yeah, man, that's pretty much my plan here today. So let's get rid of this. Let's say we're looking for buys, we're looking for supports to be formed, and some clean price action after this news release. So we haven't had unemployment claims in quite some time, so anything could happen here. Anything could happen. So let's let that data come out. Let's get it absorbed into the market. And again, if we can come down here and do very similar to the 4 hour, right? Like let's say we get this bullish candle to close something like this, right? News comes down, we come down, we may break the low there, and then we can have a buy stop on the break of that high or on the break of the previous candle high for price to keep moving up on the 4 hour. So that's my plan, that's my story, and I am sticking to it. Any questions, comments, concerns, anything? Yeah. We'll see how the data comes out here with unemployment claims. It should be pretty interesting. Again, we haven't seen any of this red folder news in quite some time here. So everything is, fresh and new, and, the market's got to absorb it here. So, Gino, I know. Clubhouse be forgetting to go to YouTube, man. Got to go to YouTube, give a little like, say hello, give a little hey, how are you in the chat, and then just bounce back to the Clubhouse. That's all. Quick little separate window, pop it up. How you doing? Yeah. Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, I highly recommend you do, especially as we break here for the holiday and whatnot. I'll keep everyone posted on all different sorts of things and news going on towards the end of the year. We're going to have some of the TTE members getting together, just linking up in Tampa for a little bit too, so we'll be posting on the story, man. So this is my personal page if you're not following me there. If you're not following the TT_profits page, what the heck is going on, man? Yo, this is a free, if you are not profitable as a trader yet and you're not following this page, you're shooting yourself in the foot. Literally you have everything you need right here to actually dial in. John, I don't know if John's here yet. Me and John used to have Don Vo and Raja Banks saved. We would have their reels saved. We'd watch them every day. We'd ask each other questions about them. We'd say, yo, did you see what Don said about the wick? And when that happens, and like, how bad do you want it, right? Are you willing to actually get some free, like you don't even have to pay for this. You don't even have to pay for it. Oh my goodness. Remember, gang, we don't have an education problem. What we do have is an application problem, okay? So everyone asking, what should I do? I think you should just do. That's what you should do. You need to do more, right? Yeah? Ain't no education problem out here. We deliver everything you need to be successful. It's the application that's missing. And that, my friend, is on your end. We're doing the best we can for you. But we can't want it more than you want it, right? We can't want it for you more than you want it for you. See, Melly, how we feeling? How are you, bud? How are you? See, Melly wants it. Do the do, Louis G. That's right. What up, Classic Trader? How are you? What's poppin'? How you guys doing? What's poppin', Clubhouse? Good to see you guys. Amazing trades in Asian last night. Fire trade in London. I mean, incredible price action. Let me pop open the Clubhouse here. Yeah. There we go. What up, Magnus? Clinky, clinky. Okay, here comes the news here. Let's see what's gonna happen. Hopefully that 4 hour don't make the run on us. Oh, we got some payouts to request here today as well. So we're going to do, we got 2 payouts with Top Step that we're going to request. We'll do that in a little bit. Over the week, last 5 days, made about $4,200. $4,400. Easy peasy, light work. Just doing what we do every day. So I'll be able to take, I got it on 2 accounts here. So basically I could take $4,400 in total. So $4,200 from each account. So we do that in a little bit. Yeah, a lot of payouts. A lot of payouts coming in hot here. Clink clink. Oh, Nightbot's here. Hey, Nightbot. What are my thoughts on the new Top Step rules? Master the game to make money with them. That's my thoughts. Anytime a rule changes, I go, okay, cool. How do I strategize and make money here? Yo, what's up, Eric P? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. TK in the house, eating turkey for 3 days straight. Oh man. I'm yo, them Thanksgiving. Oh man. Them leftovers last like a week. All of a sudden, you open up your fridge. You open up that turkey Tupperware smelling like dirty feet. Ah, man. Hurry up. Put that thing in the... Let's nuke it. Get it in the microwave. Zap. Zap, 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 zap. Oh, snap. Damn, I can't believe I did that. All right, cool. Here comes the news. We close a no top wick here. And we'll see where we go now. Yeah, it might be, let me see that 1 hour candle. Yeah, 1 hour is bearish, 4 hours bullish, 30 minutes bullish with no top wick, 15 minutes. Yeah, this doesn't have our name on it anywhere. So let's just watch. Let's just enjoy it. Hang out and watch. Mike. Zap, zap, zap. All of a sudden, like, it's like things are popping in your microwave. Like, what? Why did my mom not tell me about that? Come on, Mom. Yo, DT Gamer in the house. How are you, big dog? Great to see you. Welcome in, G. Welcome in. What up, Segan Slays? Check MGC. Let's check it out, big dog. Let's check it out. Ooh, look at this. Little trickery going on. Wow. What do we do? What do we do? That's interesting. I have to just follow the GC chart, to be honest. Yeah, I'm going to just follow this one. That's crazy, though. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Microwaves bad? I never said that. I never said that. I just said they go zap, zap, zap. And I just can't believe I did it. But I never said they were bad. Good morning. Yo, what's poppin'? What's the deal? What's the deal? Good, brother. Good. Great to see you guys. Great to see you, DT Gamer. Let's get it. Let's get it. Magnus. Why don't I use top one? I'm waiting. So I'm just waiting on my live account. So I got approved for the live. I don't think I have the... It takes like 2 or 3 days to get all set up here. Last time oh my God. Last time yeah. So I don't have it yet. So basically what happens is when you qualify for a live account, they pretty much strip all your accounts and they just give you one. So I guess, you know, you have to wait like 2 or 3 days. And today's day 3 since I requested it. So yeah, so... But yeah, once I have that, I'll start trading it next week on Monday, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Everyday payouts. So we'll see what we can do. See how we can milk it. Got your first payout yesterday. Let's go. Great job. Great job. Let's get it. How much are they giving me? They're giving me, I think it was 3K. 3K, so it's basically like the equivalent of a 50K account. You know what I mean? That will full margin every step of the way. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Top one. Joking. Joking. It's like their money too. More like 100K. Oh yeah, you know what? You're right. Yeah, more like a 100K account. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. Yes, sir. The real NV's a real one. Can only imagine the clubhouse. Don't imagine it too much longer, brother. We need you in here, bro. We need you in. I mean, pretty easy, like some steps to succeed here if you're brand new. Like show up to this live stream. Like I've had some people say, hey, you know, my first day on the live stream, should I get in the clubhouse? And I'm like, nah, you know, just watch us for a couple days. Like make sure you even like us. You know, and then maybe make a decision. But like if you're brand new, I mean, watch us for a couple days, 2 or 3 days, see if you like us, see if you like the trades we take, the things we talk about. If you do, go get yourself a cheap instant fund, like 25K account, like some sort of funded account, right? Go work on that. Go trade with us for like, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks, right? See if you can start to learn the lingo, the buy stops, sell stops, how to, you know, execute, exit, things like that. Ask questions in the chart. Do that for like, you know, 2 or 3 weeks, right? And then, you know, maybe once you're starting to learn a little bit more, maybe go for a 50K or something, and then start to apply like some of the things that we're talking about doing, which is like, you know, aiming for that 3K, right? Or the 5 green days or whatever, depending on if you're with top one or top step, and then get yourself a payout, you know, and with that payout, maybe consider investing some money into the clubhouse, getting into a little bit tighter mentorship. At that point, you're going to start learning a lot, right? You're going to start seeing a lot of other traders who are just like you, moving up, leveling up as well. At that point, you're going to see us talking about the copy trader. You're going to see Exit Strat saying, hey, I got 5 grand again times 3, blah, 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 right? And you're going to like, if that guy can do it, I can do it, right? And you're going to start thinking, you know what, let me times that, you know, let me get another one, right? Let me do 3, right? And because you're like, I got some skill now, you know, I've been on the YouTube, I'm in the clubhouse now. I got a total of 2 or 3 months here. I've been learning a lot. You know, I got myself a $2,500 payout or something, right? And then you invest a little bit. You get into the clubhouse. You deepen your skill set. You deepen your understanding. You grow as a person as well. And then your belief level begins to build. Your skill set begins to build. And all of a sudden now you're like, all right, you know what? I'm confident enough. I'm going to get 3 of those 50Ks, right? Now all of a sudden you're $7,500 up and you're blowing your own mind, right? You're like 2,500 here, right, from the first payout, and now it's 75, and you're thinking, holy crap, I just made, you know, damn near 10 grand, right? And all of a sudden the tables begin to turn, and we've seen that happen. You know, is this easy? No. Is it as easy as I mentioned it is in the last 2 minutes? No, because I can talk about it and it happens in 2 minutes, right? But this is like a 3-4 month process, and whether you believe it or not, this is what we're seeing in the clubhouse, right? This is what we're seeing. New traders come in, they jump on YouTube for a little bit, they do what we're saying, they learn the lingo, they learn the onion, the celery, the breakout, you know, they start to get familiar with it, and then they move along in this process. And again, it's rinse and repeat. Remember what my mentor always said, Nick, if you're gonna walk through a minefield, follow someone, right? It would be a good idea to follow someone, right? So why not here? Right? Why not here? Why not in all areas of life? You know, I am a great mentee. I hire people to teach me how to do things all the time, right? So you have to learn to become a good student of the game. This is just one that I can teach, right? But there's so many areas in life that I can't teach, that I have to pick someone else's brain and learn from someone and follow their footsteps. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's your quick, like, boost to success here. You know, if you can hear me out on that, follow that process, my goodness, I don't want to say you're guaranteed success, but I mean, just look at the traders that were marching up in front of you, showing you these brand new traders making a ton of money, but not just making money, understanding it, right? Beginning to understand the correlation of the time frames, the mindset behind it, right? It's more than just taking some trades. You're going to be understanding the trades as well, right? It's not a community where we just throw you some sort of trade idea in a Discord and say, hey, who took it, right? No, this is like, we're gonna talk it, we're gonna plan it, we're gonna trade it, we're gonna recap it, we're gonna explain it, we're gonna go into it, and then we're gonna put them all together, and we're gonna do a whole weekly review at the end of the week of them, right? So like, we really want this stuff to stick for traders, and it's working. What we want, we get, all right? And it's all working. So Clinky, how we feeling? Clink, clink, clink.
Yo.
There he is. Them pockets are clinking these days, eh? These days.
Yeah, definitely.
What are you up on the month here? You text me, I forgot what it was.
Bro, it's the last 2 months though.
Okay, last 2 months.
Bro, should I say it here? I don't know.
I don't know. It's
over 10 though.
Yeah, let's just say it's very heavily north of 10. Johnny Gems, how you feeling? How about you, big dog?
Very heavily, yeah.
More like, you know, the next number.
Yeah, the next number, like, yeah, 5.
If we're going by, like, you know, 5s or 10s.
Yeah, exactly.
Johnny Gems, how about you, big dog?
What about Mr. Gems?
Oh my God, I can't hear John at all now. Now I see what you guys were saying. He's making so much money we can't even hear him.
Small one.
How you make so much money we can't even hear you? How you doing?
Bro. Yo, move the... I think you got like a bag of money lying like right at the mic.
I think you got too much money that you need to get rid of some of it and go get a new mic. That's what I think.
Bro, get a new PC, please. You got the payouts, bro.
John, you want to take the stacks of cash off your microphone, please, so we can hear you? Big Rafi in the house. The kid can get payouts.
Yo, what we doing here? How we doing, fellas?
Yes, sir. What up, Rafi?
Good morning. What's
Rafi,
poppin'?
how are you, big dog?
Man, I'm blessed every day, bro. Here with you guys. What a blessing. What a blessing. How you doing,
Tell
my
him
G?
wait for news, King Man. Tell him wait for news.
Wait for news.
You crazy?
How you feeling, big dog? You had a good sleep? Yeah? All right. Glad to hear it. Maverick, how we doing? Oh, hi, Lily. How we feeling?
What's going on, champ?
Yo. What up, everyone? Good to see y'all.
She said, why is Joe not on the video? Hey, she asked, not me. She asked.
I like that.
Look at that guy. That's some guy.
Which one? What's that guy doing with all that cash? That's Johnny Gems right there. Okay, come on, you guys ready? Say it loud. Say hi to John.
Peekaboo, way on there.
Peekaboo, what you wanna do? How you doing? What up, Rafa?
What's up, man? How you doing? How you feeling today?
Pretty incredible, man.
Killing it as usual.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir.
Yo,
Let's get it.
that's just not a state of being, bro. It's not
Oh, yeah,
surprise at
definitely.
this point, you know.
Bro, for real, yeah. All of us.
That's what's
Law of
up, bro. That's
association
what's up.
at work.
That's Magnus.
Yes, sir. Identity working at its finest. That's what
Oh,
it is.
yeah. Definitely, bro. Less
Yeah.
than a month, bro. Just wait on it. Holy smokes.
That's Rafi.
We're gonna bring many notebooks, bro, because we're gonna be cooking.
Holy smokes, we're gonna be cooking this, sir. And it's only, imagine this. So when we're meeting up again, right? We're gonna get mind blown and the light bulb moments and all that when speaking with each other and all that. But it's only 5 months or 6 months since we've seen each other there.
Sick. And there's gonna
Not
be
even a
different
year
energy,
went by.
You know, it's like that shift. There's a shift that happens, you know, like when you go from here to there onto this new Canva. There's a lot of things that happen there. So being in the right frequency and the right, the quantum physics doesn't lie, you know. So like being all together in the same alignment, same energetics, bro. It's gonna be. I'm telling you, it's gonna be very overwhelming emotionally and
Exactly,
all the
bro.
above.
It's just hitting different, really.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sick. It's gonna be lit.
I know for sure we're gonna go to some unknown places. I know that. Me and Nick have been
Definitely.
talking about it, so we're definitely gonna go somewhere for
Bro,
sure.
if we could do a live meditation, that'd be sick too.
Oh, trust me. I know what we're gonna do, bro. It's gonna be good.
Yeah.
It's gonna be good.
Hey, while other people are like bringing in the new year, they're like intoxicated, drunk, high. Like we're gonna be sitting there like
Bro, we're gonna at this point we're gonna be at a gamma state.
We're gonna be in
Gamma,
another.
complete gamma. Like that's heightened awareness is just next level.
Hey, that honestly, that's beast mode because you know, like the bigger field of consciousness is all in a different, like a different level of consciousness in a way, right? The whole field because they're all either excited, jumping up and down, celebrated, and here we are, calm and composed and in a meditated state. So it's pretty crazy.
As usual, observing.
Observing.
Saying too much, just observing.
Is serving completely, bro. I find it funny and a bit sad that I need to listen to a lot, or I don't need to, but you know you're gonna hear some people like, so what's your New Year's resolution? And I'm like, bro, that was like 2 months ago. We already set goals for 2026, so I don't know what's but we're always gonna hear that. So
Yeah, my mentor said every day's a new year. He said every
Exactly.
week's a new year, every month's a new year. He's like it's all an illusion. It's whatever you want it to be, you know. So if you can so the way I always do it is I always treat every month as if the same way people treat every year, right? And I have that 30-day meeting with myself, game planning, how we doing, how we looking, are we on task or whatnot. So a lot of people do that, but they only do it once a year. So imagine if you do it once a month and you don't set resolutions, you actually set real tangible goals, right? That you can actually go out and accomplish and apply in that very next day, week, or month. So you gotta get away from the masses of that mediocre approach to life, right? They do that to just trick you and lure you and play with you, right? So every day is a new year, in my opinion. That's why I came in pre New York today, just swinging. They were like, "Yo, chill, bro. 7 o'clock in the morning." I'm like, "Oh man, my bad. Let me calm down here real quick."
Here's the thing, though. Like, we've been like literally honing in on the level of quietness of Johnny because his microphone was kind of quiet, and bro, you come in, gamma state, complete strong energy, and it's like. It was crazy.
I love it.
Was.
Yeah.
Good stuff, though. Good stuff.
Yeah. Let's see here. I now have 550Ks. Let's go, J Trades. How do you recommend scaling from here? We'll be moving to 150Ks or try going live. I would just enjoy the 50Ks that you have. I wouldn't even bother about 150Ks yet, trying to go to live yet. I would just milk 5 days at a time, those 550Ks. And what I would probably do is I would put 4 on the copy trader and then leave one of them off the copy trader. just so if I take a really good win in one session, I don't have to risk those profits if I don't want to. Or let's say I took a loss in one session, I could just kind of put that account away and, you know, maybe not get caught up in another trade on that account. So I would spend time focusing on what is instead of what isn't yet, you know what I'm saying? And just enjoy those 50K accounts, bro. Take payouts on them and then maybe, you know, eventually move on. What's the lingo for the setup? What do you mean? Like the name of them? I'm staring at this 15-minute time frame here, but I feel like it's much better if we just wait on the 1 hour candle here.
Yeah, literally. Yeah,
you know what I mean? Like it's just not. It's whatever. It's whatever.
It's there, but it's just not there.
It's like it's there, but it ain't. You know, so
yeah.
It's fine. I wait on the 1 hour here.
Yeah,
we got 1 hour support here too. Really, this zone here is pretty much your 1 hour support zone where my tools go.
Yeah, nice.
Let's just make this look good here. Boom, boom. Yeah, the buys, I think I would get a little bit more aggressive here on the buys, maybe even back above here. 94. Especially if that 4 hour candle wants to remain bullish, which it's coming back down now. So I'm probably going to tighten up my zones a little bit and really look for trades below here or back above 94. Maybe even more so back above 92 if that 4 hour wants to move back up. Yeah, that actually wouldn't be bad either. $86 pips, yeah, kind of like we see like here. You know, you had that closure above there on the 15, and we got a nice push. Closure here, nice little push. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. 1 hour looks good though. I think if the 1 hour closes exactly how you see it right there, then it's like pretty much a celery play. So we wait for a top wick, we put a sell stop on the break of that low, and I think we can push down there in that 9 a.m. candle.
Yeah, definitely.
If we close like that. We got a lot of clean range today though. All right, what do you say? Shall we request a payout here or two?
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do this, gang.
Why not?
So let's do this here. Let's request another payout. Seems to be that we are just taking payouts every week for the most part right now, with whether it's top one or top step, or you know, that's the power is we got options, right? We got options. So if you don't like what's happening on one, you move on over to another, you take some money there, you go back to the other, you take some money here, there, and you know, that's just how we do it. So let's go. Let's see what we're qualified for. So it looks like we qualified for two payouts for $22.34 each. So we're gonna take $22.34 each. Basically, it's gonna be a $4,400 payout. You know, close to $4,500. So let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. Let's go with bank wire. Let's go with ACH. And once again, Top Step does not save the account number.
You click save every time. I do
every
the same
time.
and it does save.
Really?
Like, bro. Yeah.
That's crazy. All right, give me 1 sec. Making me work here. All right, let's do it. So business, do checking. Let's do it. Okay, cool. Chase. Yeah, I'm surprised they don't save it, dude. All right, I think we're good. Let's just double check it. All right, we're Gucci. Pay the fee, Top Step. Pay the fee.
Filling out the bank info is more work than the entries and exit.
Literally, bro. Like what?
Literally. Yeah. Top Step, they always save the info when you're buying something.
Yeah, always. They got everything up when it's ready to charge me. I'll tell you that. All right, save the details. Save the details. Okay, I think we're good. Yeah. So what did I say we could take? 22. What was it? 22. Payout amount. Let's just take 20, 22, 20. 22, 22. How about that? Yeah, that sounds like a good number. 22, 22 from this each account here. So boom. Let's hit submit. And we are submitted. All right, lovely. 22, 22 on the way. Let's do the second one here. Let's go with the ACH as well. And let's do this. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. 22. Yeah, we'll do 22, 22. I think that's a good number.
Literally, this is more work than
This is more work than I've done all week. I'll be honest. Bank info. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
My goodness. So I memorized the number now. Boom. Okay, that's it. Once 39 9909 78. Okay, cool. I think I'm good. Save the details. Boom. Okay, perfect. So let's do another 22, 22. Yeah, and then we got all that checked off, and let's submit this puppy here for a whopping 44.44 entering, and it's good to go. All right. So there you have it. Another payout with Top Step here. We did a bunch of top one payouts last week and the week before, and this week we revisit the Top Step Bank. Yeah, so appreciate you, Top Step. Thank you very much. Top One. Shout out to Top One for all the money last week. And let's just keep doing good business. All right, let's do it. So we're going to get this closure. I'm glad we didn't touch this 15-minute at all. I'm not really interested in this idea here. So let's see what happens. We got a new 1 hour candle loading up here in about 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Would I ever make my own prop firm? No. I actually considered it in the beginning of the year. We worked pretty hard towards it as well. And, you know, I just, to be honest, seeing the back end of things, it really just didn't line up with me morally and ethically and what I was trying to do. Like, I can't, like, it just, imagine me trying to teach traders how to take money from me. Right? So it just wouldn't have worked out. Could I have made more millions of dollars? Probably. But, I'm not so concerned with making more millions of dollars than I am with building something that's real, something that can last, and something that's going to impact not only the people here, but generations to come. So that kind of just threw me off there, and we decided to scratch the plan. Asian session trade. Asian session trade. Yes. Let me show you guys. Pop it up here. Clean move in Asian. So this was the move we took in Asian last night. We had very, very bullish bias here. We were really looking for the opposite. So a lot of guys took buys here before we started the clubhouse session, which I personally thought was a good trade. But that one would have been a loser here most likely. You see how it kind of popped up there, and so if anyone took this trade here, I think that was a pretty good trade. Had I been at the desk, I probably would have pulled the trigger there. Yeah. So if you guys did take that, it was kind of more like this. Oh, my bad. Like kind of like this, where you had that closure above. Just forget about all this stuff here real quick. Boom. Right, like you had a nice clean closure above the range. Forget about that zone 2. I used it for that new resistance there. So that resistance wasn't there, so therefore that zone here wasn't there either. So basically what your zone would look like is probably something like this, right, in that situation. And you did get that candle closing above the zone. So if anyone did take this one, I thought that was a pretty good trade. Price moved up, but ended up, you know, kind of whatever, coming back down there. So that was just a trade. The one that we took though was this one right here. So after all that happened, I did put a resistance level right there. I waited for this candle to close. This candle right here actually opened up. So this candle, so this is my confirmation candle, right? The closure above, and now I got clean range to the left and stuff. And now this is going to be my trading candle. Now the issue with this candle is that it opened up and just popped up right away with no bottom wick. But what did I do? I chased it, didn't I? Right? I got in, even though it didn't have a bottom wick, even though I know that I should wait for one, but I was just trying to make money, so I got in anyway. No, right? That's not what I did. It came up, it respected the high, it came back down, broke its own low, came down, created this lower wick here, and then I set the buy stop there, right? And once that buy stop was placed, we pretty much went straight into profit. I don't think there was any drawdown in this trade at all. We closed partials, and then I believe we hit full TP on this as well. Yeah, so
Damn,
it was a good
nice.
trade.
Why didn't you take the first one?
I wasn't even at the desk. I wasn't even looking at the markets. This happened before we started the stream too. So I was probably playing with the kids or reading them a book or who knows, right? So I didn't get there until we had this candle. I think this candle was either open or it just closed. So when I got to the desk, the market looked something like that. Kind of like this.
Cool. Yeah, I thought you were there. So okay,
no. So kind of like when I got there, it kind of looked something like that.
Yeah, cool.
And then we did the analysis. Yeah. So yeah, that was it. Any questions on this one? Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. The 1 hour and the 30 were a bit overextended, but I want to say something here too, because you did get that support that we needed on the 15-minute, but more importantly, this high right here was the daily high, the 4-hour high, the 1 hour high, the 30-minute high, and you got it, the 15-minute high. So I was so open to taking the buys here, even though it kind of was a little overextended on the other time frames. You got to realize what's going on in the current market that you're in, right? So if we're sitting there about to break all these highs with a bullish bias basically on every time frame, you know, you get aggressive there and you got to take that trade. So, and that's why I really like the trade that you guys took down here too, because everything was the same, you know, it was all the same there. So yeah, good job. I think this was a pretty good trade. Again, now will I do this, right? So let's say this high up here, we're overextended and we want to get into this execution right here. Will I do this if, let's just say, this isn't the 4 hour and the daily and the 1 hour and the 30-minute high? Probably not. At that point, I may want to wait for a pullback, right, and take the buy from down here somewhere and then move up. So, you know, you could see the same thing, but in a totally different scenario. And those are something that you guys have to get a grip on. Not every single trade setup is going to be the same. It just really depends on what's happening around that, right? What's the overall story here? So, all right. And the overall story here is that we have a 4 hour that's extremely confused. We have a 1 hour candle that did close bearish. We kind of closed above support here, which isn't the worst case, but 30-minute also has support here as well. 15-minute also. So yeah, we'll see what happens. We're definitely going to need a top wick here on the 1 hour 30-minute time frame, and with that I would also maybe even look for something like this, like a little like bullish candle first, followed by a bearish candle, and then a closure below that range, something like that, and that'll get the 1 hour going. That'll get the 30-minute with a resistance as well, and then you come down and fill that zone there. We got to be careful with the 4 hour, right? 4 hour is a little tricky. It's a little confused. So that could cause some problems on the lower time frame. But let's see if we can get like a decent 1 hour top wick here. If not, we wait for like a 15-minute maybe resistance or something like yesterday or the day before, and then we take it off of that. What time was that taken? I think it was taken at I think that trade was taken at 8:30. Yeah, 8:30 p.m. Yeah, we had a ton of people in the Asian session last night. It was pretty good, pretty good. What time are you trading in the Asian? We trade from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. So 8 p.m. Eastern all the way into like 10 p.m. Yeah.
Yo, Friday we have a New York stream or no?
In the clubhouse, yeah. We'll get together for like maybe we'll get together from like 8:30 to 9:30. See if we got any good price action, and if not, we do quick Q&A and hang out for a little bit, and then we'll
Yes, sir.
we'll get moving.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah, I got some plans Friday. Friday we're gonna go do some donations, some giveaways in Tampa and stuff. We're gonna do like a food drive, pizza party, all that stuff with the homeless, and give away a bunch of clothing and all that good stuff. So
Sick. Love that.
Love them. There you go, Steve. 1 hour on Friday.
yeah, about 1 hour. Yeah, hey, let me apologize in the clubhouse chat because of all the conversations that go on in there. Messages be popping and hopping and skipping and looping and whooping, and it's crazy. So my bad if I don't get to your message right away here on especially during this New York session here.
We got you. We're conversating with people here, so we're good.
It's getting wild. It's getting wild. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. What are you doing tomorrow, Rafi? Anything?
And we're just gonna get together with the family and stay quiet and observe. That's what I'm gonna do.
Dope.
How about you?
It's just not the same anymore,
Nah, it's not, bro. It's not.
Real.
Once you're free from the illusion, nothing is the same. And now I know why people don't want a glitch. The Matrix showed you very clearly, like a lot of people just want to stay in the cube. They want to stay there. It's easier there, and yeah, I get it too.
Yeah.
This is a harder path to travel, but it's so worth it. But nothing is the same anymore, right? Yeah, it's true. 8 to 10 p.m. Yep. Yep. Do we have a track record? We do, but I don't have it off the top of my head. So let me go in and grab the data. Thanks for reminding me there. I'm gonna grab all the data from the Asian session. From what we did look at, like just a brief scan, we have about a 75% win rate in Asian, and a very good like ROI on it too. 20% consistency, 600. How did you go up with that number? Oh, how did I come up with it? Do we set our own number? I wish. Imagine. Give me they give it to you. The top one, they give you a 20% consistency rule on the instant 50K. So just follow that. Just stay below 600 every day, and you'll be able to take a payout within like 5 or 6 days. What is it? What is the math there? 600 times what? 600 times 5? Yeah, so 5 days. So all you need is 5 days, just like Top Step. Right? If you can get 600, which I typically try and get, I usually get anywhere from like 400 to 600 most of my trading days with Top One. With Top Step, I go a little bigger because there's not that consistency rule now when you're on these XFAs. So I also do have a combine here that's up 3K. So I made like 3K. I haven't took it on Monday. Didn't take anything yesterday. So maybe I'll trade that one today. See if we can get that done. Let's go. Join the like-minded. Yeah, join the clubhouse, man. A lot of like-minded individuals. Keep you on track, keep you on pace. It's a no-brainer.
Definitely.
Green, how we feeling? Okay, here we go. We're coming back down now. So pretty interesting. What time is it? 9:06. So we got like what is it? 8 minutes on the 15. Yeah, I think we gotta wait here. Yeah, I think we gotta wait.
Don't you like buys here too?
Yeah, but you know, if we keep breaking the lows, probably not. It's a tough call here, man. This can go either way right here. So I just want to be a little careful in this zone here.
Yeah,
again,
exactly.
we never got the 1 hour to close below. So
Nah, that's the thing. That's the thing.
I'm gonna need some more
I think
proof.
we were above support in all time frames right now. So let's see a 30 closure. 15 next.
My thing is the daily. You know, can this daily come down
exactly.
and come for that low?
Yeah, and the 4 hour too. We just broke highs, daily highs, and all that.
Yeah, 4 hours breaking through that chop. You know what I mean? Starting to break through that area there after breaking the highs.
I could totally see it there.
Oh, what are the stops here? What are the stops? 97 pips. So yeah, we can't do anything regardless. We need a new candle anyway for a stop loss. So let's see if we let's let this candle give us the information that we need. And if that one can close below, then we can look to potentially have a sell stop here. And if not, we wait on the 30 closure at 9:30. Pack run out. Yeah, the only issue is the stops too. You know, you're talking like 100 pip stops here on current candle. But this makes sense, you know, breaking the low like that. 1 hour, I know we didn't close below the range, but it's tough when you get a 90 pip stop too. It makes it very tough. So we gotta wait. We've got to wait. Took the short. Nice. I'm just curious, where's your stop loss? Because I would look at this and I'm trying to figure out the best stops. So where's your stop? Where and why?
Doesn't have one.
No, did he say that?
No. Somebody said doesn't have one.
Bro, we never use stops.
Where and why? Not just where, but why? $92. Okay, so you have 100 pip stops. Got it. Yeah, I don't think I'm willing to do that.
Nah, it's alright.
Okay, at least it's logical. Like, at least it's logical up there. Okay, cool. Yeah, I mean, look, if you're comfortable with 100 pip stop, then I like it. You know, it's good breaking the lows and all that. I'd rather see if we can get a new candle here and maybe get in for this wick fill, right? So get a new candle like that, keep my stop above the range, and then get in for the wick fill, and then potentially that move down. That would be more so the move I'm looking for. Something like this.
That'd be pretty good, yeah.
Yeah, like that right there would be ideal. The more this can close above too, the better.
Can't lose with no stop loss. Oh, it's funny.
Stops are very short, but where? Scalp on on a 100 tick chart. Gotcha. Okay. All right, that's different level then. All right, I'm just making sure that there's nothing here that I'm missing according to my system, right? Like without having those 100 pip stops. So yeah, if you're using different systems, of course, there's trades everywhere. 100%. Whole account or nothing. That's right. It's either the whole account or nothing at all here. A reset? Yeah, exactly. That is true. That is true. You can't. Be back in Tampa soon. Let's go, the Prather Trader. Let's get it. Let's get it. You know what time it is. You know where I'll meet you. All right, let's see how we do here. 3 minutes on a closure. We got some volume coming too, right? 9 a.m. here, 9:15 coming, 9:30 right around. So let's see what happens here. If we could pull back slightly, we get a nice little wick fill. Boom, 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 boom.
What you got going on these holiday?
Chilling. Yeah,
Anything
chilling.
special?
Yeah, macking out here tomorrow, just chilling. Probably do some content and stuff, and then Friday we're gonna go do the other stuff.
You got the giveaway stuff.
Yeah.
Any family coming into town or?
Nah, just we're gonna be chilling here. Joe, John, Maddie. Yeah, just us pretty much.
Nice.
Keeping it small, you know.
Yeah, bro. Quality.
Yeah. We may have a new baby here any day now, man. Any day.
Any day, huh?
Could happen today. Could happen tomorrow. Could just any moment now.
Oh wow.
Any moment. Baby number 4.
It feels like end of closure probably for you.
Yo, it does. No, more like for her, you know, like at this point now, it's just she's ready to go. She's ready to go.
Dang.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys. December babies, yeah. We'll see. Due date's December 1st, but you know, it's coming. A cult? Yeah, like a unit. Yup. A team. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, I am. Raising a prop firm? Raising a whole hedge fund over here. Yo. Now, one of the things we want to do here soon is like next gen days, you know, like just get everyone, all the people here, all the 8-figure traders, bring your kids. We'll set up big slides and games and activities and microphones. We'll get them on the stage. We'll tell them to tell us what they're grateful for, a whole bunch of stuff. It'll be pretty fun. It'll be pretty fun. We'll call it the next gen day. We really do want to inspire the masses of adults so that way they can instill the principles and philosophies into their children. You know, that's a big thing. That's a big reason why I'm here. Big reason why I'm here. Okay, let's lock this in here. May have an opportunity for some potential sell stops if we can get a top wick here and start breaking through the lows. So let's see what we can do. Top wick coming, candle closure in just a second here. So let's see if we can make a little low and then a top wick, and then yeah, it looks pretty good. Probably keep like a 60 pip stop back in the range here. Got a 77 pip wick fill. Yeah, we keep like 40 to 50 pip stops probably. Get them on little trading desk. Yeah. What'd you get your kids for their birthday? It's a couple trading desks. We're scaling. Okay, let's see if we can get this top wick here, Clinky.
Clinky.
Let's see if we could do it.
Yes, sir. It came right back to it. So, see.
Want to see a top wick at least coming back up towards like 83 here. Definitely.
Yeah, at least 83. I'm with that.
Clubhouse price stays the same in January once you're locked in. Correct. Yeah, correct. Yeah, if you're already in, you'll never pay. Like as long as you keep your membership, your subscription won't go up or anything. It'll just be new members.
You only taking this on Combine?
Yeah, I think so because I just took that payout. I don't want to jeopardize. I don't know if I could take another trade like moments after the payout.
Oh, okay.
Can you?
Nah, I never do that too.
Yeah, I'd rather not risk it.
Some said you can, but I don't know.
Yeah, I'll wait. I got no issues waiting. 6-month plan. Let's go. Yeah, that's a good one, man. Yeah, that's honestly a steal. Yeah. Yeah. Any questions you guys have? If you could extend it and all that, just hit us up in an email. All right, let's see if we can get 83 here. Can we get a nice push up? We need this top wick for a stop loss here. So keep that in mind. Yeah, that looks good to me. Yeah, that looks good. We got about a 30 pip stops, but I will keep my stop about roughly like 40 pips ish. Yeah, 40, 50 pips. So I'm gonna have a sell stop here, break of the 15-minute, 30-minute lows. I'm sorry, 15-minute lows here, and yeah, we'll see if we can get a push. We got 9:30 coming up too.
Nice.
15 celery would be good. 15 right here would be good as well. Partials gets taken at the wick fill, and then the rest of it, yeah, coming down into like 67 here.
Nice.
Partials, I would say right here, right at 74. Yeah, right at that little level there. Payouts, payouts, payouts. Would it be the new price? No, it'll just be the regular one, Bree. Yeah, just send us an email, info@timedtrading.com, and we'll get it all settled up for you guys. No slippage, no spreads. That's true. That's true. Let's see where else. Let me just check this 5-minute chart here. Yeah, we really got no other stop, so this is gonna be the stop.
See that 5-minute pack?
Yeah, I did.
Oh.
At 5-minute though. At 5-minute though, Green. All right, I think we are locked in here. So let's see what happens. We'll see if we can come down into this range here. Close some partials. Yeah, the wick fill looks good to me. Let's see if we can get the wick fill. Pretty bearish for the most part. Grab the pack up here. Grab the pack on the 5. We got a wick to fill. We got volume. We got clean traffic to the left. We got 4-hour direction after breaking those lows. So let's see if we can continue down, fill that wick, and get out of here with some profits. I think BE, not bad. BE at like 77 here too, if you want to get aggressive with your break even. Yes. How much do you need to make on average per month to live in the U.S.? I think the average American makes $65,000 a year. Yeah. About 65K. So I'm basically going to risk my profits, right? So I'm up $3,000 on this combine. I'll risk that $3,000 here in order to make the $3,000. How do you set a stop loss? You just drag it up. So you just got to drag it up. Yeah, take it from over here, this little area right here, and just drag it. Watch, when I delete it, boom, and then I drag it. Boom. Wait, there we go. It's pretty simple. Pretty simple. If we look left here too, we got a nice clean range here. So if we look left, we have decent range coming down right into that level there. So that's what we're trying to get to. Should have no problem moving down. We might need a 9:30 candle to come. It's going to be 10 minutes away, but should be pretty good. It's a good trade. It's a good trade.
You got 86.4?
0.4, yep. 86.4 is going to be my stops.
Yeah, just know everyone that it could come up to 86.3 and Nick, you know.
Nah, we need to break that low and just no conversation about that. Nobody knows nothing.
Nobody knows nothing. Would you be? I know we're in sales right now, but let me wait and say that. Let's see 9:30 here.
9:30.
Yeah, 9:30. Let's see what happens here.
Why would you put your stop loss? It's a middle of the week. Enough time to. I'm not sure what you're talking about there. I don't know what happened there. Previous candle. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Looks like a good trade to me. So we'll see what happens.
Same. Yeah, we're not really like pushing up pretty hard here right now. So I mean, it's still looking pretty good. That 5 minutes still rejecting all that.
7 minutes. About the 5 now. 7 minutes for 9:32.
Bro, that 5 minute is cooking. Just wait on it.
It's cooking. It's cooking.
Talk about the 5.
Let's see if this 4 hour wants to do some damage here. Come back down for that low.
Happy fire.
I mean, I'm sorry, the daily. The daily here, come back down. That's kind of my thoughts on the whole bearish bias today, is the fact that this daily candle came right into the ranges in which we rejected once before, right? Or twice before. So we've already rejected this area. Now, will we keep pushing down for 930, right? Or will this be the fluctuation to move up? I'm a little bit more confident in the move down, being that we've had that numerous times already. Plus, we have a 4 hour candle that just smoked the lows here, right? Just broke through all the lows. Well, plenty of range to continue driving. So that's my thing here. You know, as the volume comes in, could we get this candle to keep driving down further into support? You know, that's the idea. So will it happen while we're in the trade? Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe it has to go back up first and then down. Maybe it's going to come straight down. We don't know that, right? That's why we have stop losses and plans and management plans and all that good stuff.
Exactly. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, it looks good. Higher time frame really leading us down here. So I agree. I agree, really. We'll see. If we close like this right here, sheesh, we might have a re-entry too. True.
The other thing too is you can get out right now, right? So you can get out now and then re-add. Maybe if this candle, like wait for the candle to close if you're a little scared here, and just re-add, you know, if you get a closure that looks like that. But then again, you can't be upset if price runs without you, right? And then again, and also if you don't delete, you can't be upset if price hits you, right? It's just that simple. All right, let's see if we can push through, get that wick fill, close up some partials here, and have a great day.
Yes, sir. But if you're scared, get out now.
I need 3K. 3K, 29.50 would do too. I think.
Right? Oh, you're targeting that week? Oh, it's for the profit target thing, yeah.
Yeah, this is literally just to pass a combine to potentially get a new XFA. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Can we push through the wick? Is the move down overextended? Not on the 4 hour. So when you kind of consider this bigger picture here, you would say that 4 hour candle has more room, right, to continue driving down into that support level. So not from a higher time frame perspective. The 1 hour really, my only thing here is that 1 hour not closing below the range. Like that's my biggest issue on this trade. But other than that, the 4 hour looks good. The 15 looks great. Yes, I mean the direction looks pretty good to go down, but we'll see.
Cool. Looking good.
Yeah, I think we could also use maybe this zone here, right? And if you end up getting maybe a closure back above, we could look to manage or something.
Yep.
Something like that, maybe? Yeah, I think that would be decent.
Yeah, let's see 9:30 here. What happens? Where's John? Where did he go?
He's probably at Best Buy buying a new microphone.
I hope so. Bro, he got stacks now. Nothing like...
Stacks.
Like, Mike is nothing. So...
Stacks.
He should get a whole nother setup, like just screens.
Yeah, that's how I think he's planning on doing all that.
Great.
All right, if we could re-break the low, I'll probably go break even on this and see if we can get a push on the break of that low. Definitely have a lot of volume coming in. Now it's just where will the volume take us? Where will it take us? What did we get? We got 30? Yeah, about 29.30. Yeah, let's see if we can re-break that low, and then we can go break even at that 29.30 pip mark, and then see if the rest of it can push down into 74 there. Close full at 20. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, if you guys want to close partials, go, by the way, yeah, if you guys want to close partials and all that, go do that. You know, I'm actually, I have a little bit of a goal here to get to that 29.50 mark, get that wick fill so I can pass this eval. So if you guys like that at, that was my BE point, I would probably say too, is right around that 77 mark, in which I said, you know, before we got in the trade. But I'm going to hold my stops where they are and see if I can get that push down here. Got your 600? Beautiful. Yeah, take it. Take the 600.
We're probably gonna bleed.
We'll see. We'll see. Book the base hit. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Same here.
Little partials at like... One of the things too about using like a, let's say like a MGC chart is... I wouldn't have much of an ego. I was talking to one of the elite guys yesterday about this, and it's like, if you only open up one contract on a GC chart, you can't close any partials, right? But if you just open 10 on an MGC, that means you could shave like 2 or 3 off there. Because, you know, you don't really, it's not that you want, like, I think a lot of times our brain just needs a little hit of dopamine. Like, you guys ever like crave like a cookies or cake, and then you're on this crazy, like, you got goals to be fit, so you just take like 1 bite, and then you're like, all right, cool, that was good enough. You know, like I tasted, like, where's Green? Green be eating 1 mini Oreo, just 1.
Yeah, exactly. I seen that.
Right? So a lot of times our brain just wants a little bite, a little hit of dopamine. You see this little green box up here? Your brain really wants to, this one here. Your brain really wants to see that one green. So what happens is if you can shave it, right? Now you shave like 3 off on an MGC chart, and you still got 7 running, right? So not only do you stay in the trade, because by the way, who else hates closing that 1 and now being out of the trade, and then you can't enjoy the move and stuff like that. So now you get to get your dopamine, close some partials, and keep more right in the game. So like as it comes down more, you take a little bit more off and a little bit more off, right, and start shaving it. So keep that stuff in mind too. All right, can we move here? Can we move? Now would be a good idea to close some partials. You got 6 seconds. I'm going to go break even here. And can we get it? Can we get it? Give it to us, Goldie. Ooh. I'm break even. So now I am break even.
Sick, bro.
We might get tapped, but let's see. I would personally close partials if I were you guys on a different account here. Let's see if we can hit that 3K for your boy. Just break the lows real quick.
Yeah, we might. If we do, we fly.
Do it, Goldie. Do it.
Come on.
Come on, Lee.
Do it for me.
Come on. Sick.
9:30.
Nah, don't take the boy.
Don't take me out of PE. Not me. Not me. Ah, all right. Hey, I made $33. We're good. We're good. All right, lovely trade. Yeah, there you go. Now it's green. All right, good trade. I'll get it on the next one here. Yeah, that's fine. So 48 pips we got on that move. Congratulations if you took that. It made perfect sense. As that candle kind of came down and closed, that was definitely your like tip to close partials out and whatnot and take some money there. Yeah, good trade. Now we see about 9:30. We should keep moving down, but who knows here. Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff.
I think so too. But that 15 though is right as like support and all that.
I know. Now it's getting a little tough. We're getting a little tough now for new entries. But yeah, good job. 40 pips or 48 pips or something like that. We'll take that all damn day. 43 pips.
Yes, sir. Bro, the best here would be like a nice, bullish, strong candle in the 15 and then a new resistance.
Yeah, that'd be good. Yep.
And then the fall closes below too. Sheesh.
Yep.
Be fire.
All right, nice trade. Nice trade. I'm curious to see if I could trade the XFAs. Curious.
I think you can.
Yeah,
I think
'cause my
Amy might said it
balance-
too, like you can.
Yeah, because my
After-
balance actually says it here on the. Let me see
Same
if
on
my-
mine. But I'm like, can we trade it or not?
Let me go back over there real quick. Let me just mark that trade up really quick too before I forget. So you got sells here, stops were kept above the range there. We had TP down here, partials. Really was mainly like I'd say partials right there. All right, that would be the look there. So partials right there, and look at that. Very happy we took those partials or whatever, or went break even, because now you'd be caught up in this mess here, getting stopped out.
Ooh. That's insane. Yeah, I definitely beat break even there.
Yeah, it was good enough too.
Yeah.
You know, again, like if I'm on my XFA, you better believe the partials are being taken, right? So
Definitely.
yeah, good job. Yeah, if you took your partials, good job. If you got caught holding the bag, just understand how, you know, how important those levels are and how important going break even could be. You know, especially look at this volume now coming all the way up.
Oh yeah.
All right, beautiful. Let me just mark that up.
It's funny because we're on drawdown, and Norvin, we were having this conversation the other day, Nick, on the chat.
Mm-hmm.
Courtney came into the room. I'm like, oh no,
Yeah, really.
go, and we were in drawdown. I'm like, oh.
Oh, that's
We
hilarious.
left, and then we
Bro, I
started
know
going down.
exactly what you mean. I know exactly what you mean.
She comes in with a
Every
big
s-
smile. I was like, nah, not right now.
Bro,
Hey, honey.
every time.
I love you so much. Please leave the room. I'm
You
busy.
got to go.
Bro, I swear, it's every single time. I don't know how it happens, but it happens.
Bro, you can't make that up, bro. It's insane.
Bro, it's mad. It's
And they
insane.
come in with the most elaborate, like the most important questions. And it's just like, huh? Like, I don't know, it just doesn't register in the brain.
Literally.
Very nice, very nice. So clean move. We'll see where we go next. 9:30 is upon us. Pretty interesting. Congrats, y'all. Yeah, I see a bunch of you guys took all your profits there. Big winner too. I think some of you guys went a little bigger because I had a 5 lot in that, right? Let's go. Congratulations. Good job. Good job. Good job. Whole lot of W's in the clubhouse. Whole lot of W's.
Got my first payout today. I'm 17, he said.
He said I'm 17. Let's go. Who was that?
17, let's get it.
Sheesh.
It's clubhouse here, Nivan. Nivan, let's get it.
Let's go.
Let's get it. Just consistent profits right there.
Yes. Beautiful.
Looks fire. 17 and it's getting paid already. Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Let's go, bro.
That's
let's
amazing.
go.
So like why, like my thing is like, why don't you just come to the clubhouse? Like why waste 80 G's on college, right? To make no money over that 4 years. Meanwhile, you could probably make 80 G's by just being in the clubhouse at a young age, like 18 years old.
Definitely. Bro, that was one guy in here monthly. You know, 75,000 a month.
Yeah, I know. I've seen that. That's incredible. That was actually bigger than me. My biggest month was 60 grand. So that he actually beat me.
Damn.
Yeah, or 68 grand my biggest month was. I think that was in maybe May or something like that. So he got me by like what, 6 grand? 8 grand?
That's pretty insane.
Oh, that's it. I want vengeance.
Vengeance.
I want vengeance.
It's a competition now.
Funny. Bro, don't look in clubhouse profits too. Oh my goodness.
Don't?
Nah, please do it.
Let's see.
Just 2 more here today. Out of what, like 10?
Damn, I'm in the clubhouse chat and a payout pops up. I'm not even the profits channel yet. Let's go, T. Callahan, baby. Let's get it.
Yes, sir. Let's get it.
Why not? Little 3 grand, 2,700. Beautiful. Let's go.
Sick. Bro, look at cup. Oh my goodness.
Another 2,250. This just in, another 2,500. Let's see this
Bro,
one.
second 10K month.
Hey, yo, let's get it. 3, 6,
Bro, that's
9. That's
That's
more than
more.
10K, bro.
yeah. I was like, bro,
A little bit more than 10K.
a little bit more. Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go, Andreas. W, bro. There's T. Callahan. This is all today,
Bro,
by the
that's
way.
closer to 15.
This all today. This isn't like your other guru who shows you like the pictures from like the last 6 months. Nah, this is literally all today.
Yeah.
Look, go, Zach O'Sully. Big
Yes,
W.
sir.
Big W. Isaiah, let's get it. Clay hitting on a play. First payout in the clubhouse. Beautiful, nice little 600. Nice job, O'Keefe. Let's go. First 10K month solely from trading. Let's get it. Isn't it a beautiful feeling? All right. Making 10K a month. $1,000 payout here. 5K here. Very nice. Very nice. Johnny Gems with a little 1774. 2,000. Good job, bro. Good job. Exactly after 30 days joining the TTE, 4 months now. Wow, dude. Yeah, I seen this one yesterday. Over 10 grand right there, too. First payout. Let's get it.
Great.
The first domino is down, brother. Hey,
Oh,
yo. JDZL 17,000. Something light. Something light.
Sound like. Nice, bro. I love that. 17K right there.
My only question is, who's next? Who's next?
Literally. Norbin up there. I see him like 15 grand in one payout or whatever it was. Was it 12, 15?
Yeah, Norman
or-
going crazy right now.
Yeah, he's on. Yeah, he's definitely.
Oh my God, this just in, another one at 9:39 a.m. Eastern. Another 2250. First payout after 3 years. Congrats, my friend. W. Hey,
That's
I
the
told
many.
Clay, bro, you better be ready to sign them checks, boy. You better be ready to sign them. Nah, this is beautiful. Hold on. We're hearing some buffering right now. It looks like Dimitri may be trying to come in here and give us some sort of information. Who's next? Who is next? That's my question. Here he comes, Dimitri. First ever payout in just 14
goodness.
days of learning and joining the clubhouse. Praise God, brother. Let's
That's
get
record
it.
right there, bro. Record right there, Dimitri.
Oh,
That-
goodness.
That may be a record, 14 days.
Bro,
Wow.
that's
14
sick.
days.
Good job, bro.
Hey, yo. If you're not legal, I wouldn't say that.
Bro, scroll up right now, Nick.
Yeah. What's going on? Yeah. Oh, man. I remember the drug dealer. It's like, dude, if you're going to be a drug dealer, at least try not to look like one. You know what I'm saying? Like, what are you're trying to go to jail right now. Oh, man. All right. Yeah, a lot of profits. Congratulations, boys and girls. Incredible. Oh, my God. Hold on. Norbin is typing.
Oh
100
no. Oh no, bro.
What's coming?
It's unfair.
What's
It's
coming?
unfair. It's unfair.
My goodness. Man says 100. Bro, look at that. Oh my goodness.
150K day away from...
Yeah, bro, it says 10 grand on the account times 4.
Sheesh. Let's get it, Norbin. 40
Oh yeah, this
G's
is just a
coming in
light
hot.
20,000.
Oh yeah, 20, up. Wow,
Sick,
incredible.
bro.
I finally graduated. Oh, okay. Let's go. Hey, a little 1100 for the boy. A little 1100.
Good.
This ain't a game out here, folks. Like, we're really trying to do everything we can to put the odds in your favor. And I mean, I don't know. I just don't see too much of this going on out there where your, everyday individual, everyday trader is just locking in and getting paid.
Bro, look at the bottom now. Oh no.
Dang.
Holy smoke. 14K withdrawal right
Okay,
there.
Sujay. Oh, let's go. I'm happy to see that, man. Let's go. A little 14 grand. No, nice little withdrawal there, baby. Wow.
Oh, goodness. It keeps coming. It keeps coming.
It just
So,
don't stop here. 2250. What does that
What are we
say?
gonna
After
do?
3 years of grind, just after 14 days of joining. That's incredible.
Bro, at least
man.
in the last like 6 to 8 months, there haven't been one day where it didn't post like one.
Oh no. These come in every day. This is like the press. This is like the press now. We're printing every single day out here. Like it's literally coming in as we're talking. You know what I'm saying? Like, go show me another. I don't know. Go show me something else like this out there, and I really need to see because I just don't see it.
I really want to see it too.
2250. Let's get it.
Crazy, man.
Let's go.
Yeah, good job, everyone.
500.
Bro,
2400.
the crazy thing
Let's get
is,
it.
social media has ruined it so much that people really think it's fake. And there's so many scammers out there that on the IG gurus that we talk about that has really become like a distorted version of what it actually is. You know what I mean? Like it's not even a profession anymore being a day trader. That's almost like a shame if you're telling it to someone.
Yeah.
Because people are like, oh yeah, you're just a scam, yeah, you know, like
They're
that.
like, how do I get
So-
in that? It's like, it's not an egg, dude. You don't get in it.
Exactly.
It's not a company, bro. Hey, yeah, I heard about forex. How do I get into forex? Like, what? How do I join? How do I join the company? Like, what company, dude?
Bro, the same, yeah, exactly. But social media has really ruined it,
No,
like
it
in
has.
such
Yeah,
a
bro.
way. Really, like it's sad, but that's how it is, you know.
Yeah, I
No
mean, that's
way.
why we try and come here and give it to you straight. You know, I think
light.
everyone's getting money because now they know it's going to take work. You know, it's going to take work. It's going to take effort. It's going to be probably one of the toughest things you've ever put your hand to in life. You know, and it is.
Facts.
My thing is, the people just want to know straight up. Just give it to them straight. You know, like, what do I need to do, right? And that's really what I try and bring to the table is no fluff. I know we're like comedians here and we have fun and we have a good time, but like, we tell you straight up, like, this is going to be hard. This is going to be tough. You know, you're going to have to be a professional here. You're going to have to treat this like a business, right? You're going to have to switch your mindset. It'll be one of the toughest things you've ever done, right? But in the end, it'll be worth it. And the average guy or girl goes, okay, thank you. Thanks for just telling me that straight up so I can understand how to plan my future, right? Where the other guys, they say, oh, come on, get in, you can make money, blah, 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 you know, and they kind of deceive you with the whole social media, the glitz, the glamour and whatnot. Like, here, we're just trying to tell you exactly what it is that you need to do. We don't beat around the bush. It's just, are you willing to commit or not? It's not whether or not you can or can't do this. It's will you or won't you? You know what I'm saying? So like, as long as the average person knows, like, give it to me straight. What do I need to do to win? Right? They can go out and succeed. But the problem is the average trader, they don't look at it like that. They're just very into how can I make money as fast as possible, right? And that's why the game will remain 98% losing rate. But we're going to do something about that here within this community, right? All the other communities can do that and think that and have that mentality, but not our community. You know, you're going to come in here and you're going to realize, okay, it's going to be tough, but you could do it. You know what I mean? And we'll be here to help you every step of the way because we believe in you. So that's all I wanted. Just tell me straight up, what's it going to take? Don't fool me with the watches and the cars and the clothes and all that BS. Tell me what it takes to win, right? That's all I ever wanted to know, because at that point, now I know, okay, am I willing to commit? If it's yes, then we're going in, right? And if it's not, at least I know I'm not willing to commit.
Exactly, bro. And other thing too is like, you preach freedom and you did that all the time. I've never seen you, okay, now I do, like flexing the Porsche and all that.
Exactly.
But you know,
no need to
you know
flex.
what I mean? Like, in the beginning, it was just freedom, and you never like flex the car and say like, oh, you want this car here? Just join my signals channel or anything like that. That's what IG does, really.
Yeah,
So,
exactly. Hey guys, I
Yeah,
have
it's
a
always
Porsche
just
GT3 RS. Listen to me now, even though I don't win any trades. Like what? Like come on. Like, and
we
these
show
guys.
everything.
The problem is they actually win. Like people actually still buy their stuff. So it's mind
Yeah,
blowing.
it's insane. Absolutely insane.
Like who cares about that Porsche? I don't. I really don't. I don't care. I don't need to show you my Porsche GT3 RS in hopes that you're gonna, come take all my knowledge and wisdom away from me, right? And take all my winning trades. I don't have to do any convincing at all. It's just if you like how we do it, how we trade, awesome. If not, awesome. I don't think we've ever claimed to be good traders. You've just shown up here and watched us, and you made an assumption based off of what you've seen, whether we were either good traders, not good traders. We never claimed to be perfect or good traders at all. We just let our results do the talking, so.
Bro, for real. And the other thing is too that, most people will call it like signals and all of that on the internet. But I mean, like, we show everything here. So it's like full transparency. And yeah, I just think that's what really, really differentiates too. Like, and we trade all sessions too. So yeah, no matter where you are in the world, you can basically get in whenever you want.
That's right. The door is open. Will you step in? So real quick, so we there's no sells here for me. There's really no buys either, because we don't know right now if this 4-hour candle wants to close above or if it's going to attempt to close below the range. So yeah, the buys could work here possibly, but what if this candle here in 12 minutes, right, wants to close below the range? That's not going to be that good. So I'm going to wait on this closure. If we can close below, I'm all in on the shorts here moving forward. If not, then this may turn into a little bit of a choppier afternoon here today. So we'll see.
Yeah, if you can close below and the 15 gives us the resistance here, that'd be fire.
Yeah. So yeah, 1 hour coming back up. That's why I was pretty aggressive to get pretty smart to get aggressive down there.
Sick, yeah.
Instant sim fundeds are back. Yeah, I think they're back with 5 accounts now. So if you use code TTE on top 1 futures, I'm pretty sure they said you can tie up 5 again, which I'm actually a little upset about because I want to do it.
Yeah. So you can get 5 of the original, like not the ignites, but the
I think 5. Yeah, someone said it there. Yeah, 5 for instant and then 6 for ignite. So you could have 9, 10, 11 accounts actually. Yeah, 11.
Yeah. Talk about many accounts. We got Johnny in the building.
Hey, how was Best Buy, brother?
Let's get him back. How was Best Buy?
Man went and bought a whole.
Yo, you got the new mic, bro?
Man went and just dropped $4,000 at Best Buy. Came back.
Bro just dropped like $4,000 at Best Buy.
The geek quack took care of it. Talk to me.
That's hilarious.
Oh,
let me get Johnny Gems up here. Yeah, I would take advantage. Top One's running like the biggest sale ever, like the whole Black Friday thing. So I think that's why they're doing the 5 accounts again for Black Friday. Johnny Gems, you back? He'd be like, "Hey guys, how are you?"
Here. He just muted.
Yeah, he's here.
All right, there he is.
The microphone, though.
Okay.
What do you want to do? Watch your mouth.
Hey, yo.
He was gone for 30 minutes, and now he came back with a new computer,
bro.
new mic, new headset, new screens, everything.
What do you want to
New
do?
glasses
Taking care of
too?
business.
New glasses, new shirt, everything, bro. Everything's new.
My
here.
goodness, man, just
Everything new.
reset overall.
New mindset.
Fresh mind.
There.
Renewed mind, bro. Renewed.
New mind.
There we go.
Yes, sir. What's good, boys? How you guys feeling?
Great.
Blessed.
Fantastic.
Still blessed, bro.
Like $1 billion, quadrillion, gazillion dollars, brother.
Beautiful. Same here, bro.
You got a new mic?
Blessed and highly favored.
Let's get it. Yeah, these
Nice
buys.
sells you guys took.
Yeah, they were pretty good. I think we're gonna wait for some more sells here too, potentially. Especially if that 4-hour close below the range. Like if we can get this here.
That'd be fire.
That's
Yeah,
fire. Yeah.
that would be pretty good
I
too.
really want that.
I'm with it, bro.
I'm
We can
with
get
that
it.
too.
We could possibly
Let's
get
do
it
it.
here. Watch him
What's
now.
up, chat? Good to see y'all. Let's get it. I
Which
missed
I'm
9:30
bro.
today, but
We miss you.
9:30
Oh,
wasn't, it was
We
pretty
didn't do
dark,
anything
but
on. Did, no,
9:15
well.
was good.
yeah,
missed
9.
y'all as well. Yeah. That's when you guys took the sell, right? 9:15.
Yeah. 9:30 was a little, I don't know.
Yeah. 9:30 pushed us right up.
9:30 at 100
Yeah.
pip stop, pretty much.
Good thing you guys went break even. Like, snap.
Oh hell yeah. Am I gonna trade on my
definitely.
XFA? I think so because my balance on the website looks totally fine here. Yeah, let me just see.
Yeah, I also think you can. So you can test it out now.
Yeah.
Just hope you don't lose.
That's the thing, though. I feel like you should wait till you're fully processed, like, because if you
Yeah.
lose, you never know what
I
these
think
prop
I think
firms
I should wait.
pull something out of their rear end, you know?
Yeah, I think I
Yeah,
should
that's
wait.
what I
honestly, yeah.
mean, bro. That's
I'm
why
like,
I
wait.
wait every single time.
That's why I haven't taken a trade yet either on those XFAs. Yep.
But Nick, can you you requested on 2, but you got 4 or something, right?
No,
Or...
just the 2. The other ones aren't ready yet.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, so I could do either. I could either give a second attempt at combine or just trade another one.
Yeah.
If you do it, I do it. I love this guy, honestly.
Okay, I'll do it too then. I just requested one too.
I'll win
Let's get it.
it.
What up, classic trader? Classic.
Classic trader.
Classic trader.
Have I tried alpha? No, I haven't yet. Yeah, maybe I'll let me do some planning over the weekend. Maybe I'll lock some other accounts in.
Do it, bro.
I'm with that.
Is it bad to trade while pending the payouts pending? Well, that's kind of the dilemma I'm in here, right? I don't know if I should. I've never requested a payout and then taken a trade on the same accounts in within the same hour or two.
Top Step says that you're good, but
I don't know, bro.
you don't want don't let them don't even give them like a reason to not give you this payout.
That's
So, like we said,
That's
you were
right.
good, but
okay,
you're
the
really
funds are
not.
deducted, but was it fully processed, right? Did you get the email that the confirmation email that fully processed the payout, right? Because now if you lose, they can pull something like, all right, yo, you lost, right?
Sure. True.
Yeah,
we didn't fully process
imagine you lost like a G after just taking a G.
Exactly.
That wouldn't make sense, bro. Like what?
We'll give you the remainder of your balance, which was 89 cents. Enjoy the payout.
And then you get a bank. Oh nah.
Yeah, look, Ryan got
Exactly,
declined
so,
doing that. I ain't messing around. I'm not messing
Exactly,
around with y'all
Ryan.
today.
Everyone can have a little different story. I'm saying, don't even give these prop firms a reason to
Yeah, I'm
take your
good.
payout.
I'm good. Let me lock
Exactly.
out.
Bro, I haven't even touched my account, bro. Like, give me that
Exactly.
4K,
I'm not even
I
doing
locked
this
that
by
out too.
mistake.
then I'll touch that account,
Yeah, Ken said here too, if you lose to 150, let's say you make 150 in one day and your day is green and that was the last day, and then if
Yeah,
you
I'm good.
lose on that day, they can decline your payout then.
Yeah, I'm
Because
good.
then you haven't got 5 days. So yeah, just be careful with that.
I don't know about y'all, but I ain't giving
Or they
that
could give you
4Gs
less,
back.
too. They could give you less, too, of your payout, They don't, maybe they won't take the full payout away, but they could give you less if you lose.
How about this?
That's
I
what I
guess
mean.
I guess we'll never know. I guess we'll just
never
never know.
That's what I'm saying, bro. We'll never know, bro. Trade those other accounts you got.
Bro, what happens if you lost that trade, Nick? I guess we'll never know.
I guess we'll never know.
Yeah, Chad, you guys feel me, right?
Yeah, I feel you. I'm not doing that.
100%, bro.
Chad, join my podcast.
Yo, let's
Join my
go.
podcast,
Honestly, I
sorry.
like this. I'm posting
Yo, what the
this.
hell? Doesn't even
Yo,
look like Magnus, bro.
this is
What
lit.
happened with my eyes, bro?
Habibi, let's roll. Yo, this
Yo,
is
I'm looking a
fire.
little weird there.
Nah. Honestly, I want to start dressing like this a little bit more.
Bro,
Yeah.
just post it. I don't. Yeah.
Yeah, I need to save.
Send it.
Save that one.
Habibi.
That one's fire.
That's
How much I owe you for that one?
That's Habibi Jr. and Muhammad right there, bro.
Damn.
Johnny Habibi Gems.
Yo,
Yeah, bro.
I need that. I need that outfit. I need that ASAP.
Nick, bro, I'm down, bro.
You get like linen or what it's called. Some like good stuff.
Linen? The
Gotta
linen?
pull up off
Yeah, linen,
the
linen.
PJ, bro. Go to Dubai, pull up on the PJ, and then come off looking like that.
I go to Dubai. I
That'd
come
be
back
fire.
looking like that on the live stream. You don't know nothing. What? What's happening here?
We live streaming in Dubai, looking like that.
All of a sudden, I start sitting on my Lamborghini, convincing you guys to get in the clubhouse. Come on, guys! Look at all this lifestyle and money. Come on in the clubhouse, and I'm wearing that thing. Guaranteed success.
You don't even need to do anything. Just join the signals group.
All you have to do is click the
Bro,
Zoom
all-
link.
Literally, though, honestly,
You
like,
do not-
All you have to
yeah,
do is
count.
click the Zoom link.
Actually, there's some truth to that. Like, you kind of only all you have to do is click the. That is pretty true, actually.
All you have to do is consistently show up to every session, click the Zoom link, take all the trades, and just learn.
Yeah,
And
and listen.
you'll literally take payouts tomorrow.
And by the way, we tested that out. So we did a test on my brother Joe, and we would say, okay, let's see if he can show up. If he shows up to every stream, takes every trade we take, how long will it take him to get through the funded stage and to a payout? And it took 2 weeks.
Insane.
Exactly.
It literally
Insane.
took, and
Even a little less than 2 weeks.
it
So
literally
if you
took
just let
2
yourself
weeks.
go a little bit and just follow the system, it could take 2 weeks, literally.
And he paid
See,
paid
this
his he paid his rent with that money. Pretty cool,
This
right?
actually, you know, yeah, exactly, bro.
Yeah. So we
It's
did an
actually
experiment.
opportunity to take.
He's
It's
still
actually
here, right?
You're
Yeah, hell
basically
yeah.
Sorry,
combining.
John.
Yeah.
You're combining signals with education, right? I mean, pretty good.
Earn while you learn. What is it? Earn while you learn. Yeah.
Exactly.
Can you click
Bro,
a Zoom link?
I mean, you know, like
You can
if you
learn
think
on the
about it,
on the job.
like in sports, right? If you're just practicing and you're never playing the game, you're not gonna advance as an athlete. So here, you getting to learn, and you're also playing the game. Like you're learning and
You're
playing,
playing
the
at
game.
the
Like
same time,
there's no
yeah.
way, bro. Like
Right.
you know,
Exactly.
it's like you watch the course, but then you have to play the game on your own. Like you are being guided how to play the game here.
Facts.
Literally.
All right, my friends, this is looking fantastic right now, actually.
Mm-hmm.
So
What's
we
that?
might give this another run
Need
here.
disclosure below.
Sheesh.
Yeah, this
Oh,
looks
I love the
good.
resistance, but this works.
Yeah, it looks great. Just don't run on us here in the last 2 minutes.
You don't like, or you like the celery, or do you like the 15-minute closure below?
I think I like the celery.
It's this.
Yeah.
It's kind of the same, isn't it? Or
It's
what you mean?
A
similar.
little different.
You just don't get a closure below on the 15, but how many times do we see that right there work? Where you don't get a closure
that's what you
below
mean.
and you
Yeah,
just,
okay.
especially a lot of times when what you want to do in this situation is look for this guy right here, that wick to the left, because usually
Exactly.
what'll happen is you'll come down right into that wick, and then a lot of times break the low and continue moving.
100%. John, we also kind of faked out at 82.8. You see that zone?
Yeah,
Where we kind of,
I see that.
Yeah, right here.
15-minute. Yep.
Yeah. We definitely
Yeah, I
do
see
need a
that.
top wick though, because we got a brand new 4-hour candle and all that. So let's definitely make sure we're sitting on that, and then we'll have a sell stop here.
Yeah.
We'll do it again.
Looks pretty fire.
We'll do it again.
We'll do it again.
Yeah, I guess I would have liked more of like a valid pullback on the 30-minute, but still looks good.
I believe I have about 6K in total to put on the line here. So yeah, we'll see if we can get it. The last trade, yeah, we did take another trade on the 15-minute. We took this trade right here. Yeah, that's sell. Watch it tank? Yeah, I hope not. I wouldn't be interested in that anyway. That would be a 4-hour candle just driving down with no top wick. All right, let's see what we can do here.
Jeez, this looks fire actually. Not gonna lie. Damn.
Wait, what happened here? Why can't I open my sell stop?
Bro, my top step just froze as well. Yeah,
No.
that's crazy.
Nah.
Bro, my
Nah,
thing's froze.
literally.
My thing's literally
man.
froze.
Oh my god, no.
Yeah, I'm sure everyone else's is froze too.
Watch us give like a
My
beautiful
goodness.
no top wick. No top wick. Just go. Yo,
Yeah,
watch
bro.
us give like a beautiful
just no
top
top
wick
wick.
here.
I don't want to hear crap from
Bro.
Project X, bro. Take away my
Seriously.
my $2,000
Bro.
day here.
Let's see this thing here make a perfect top. Okay, no.
Oh, okay, good.
Damn.
Oh,
everyone
okay.
else-
Alright.
You try reloading, you're chalked. You know, I just tried reloading. I don't think I'm getting my charts back today.
Oh, I'm not gonna reload.
Alright.
Bro,
Sheesh.
what?
Either
Why
way.
couldn't we?
Either way, I wouldn't have been in that.
Top step,
No,
TV's
don't.
watching this right now. Do something.
The last trade
Yeah, mine
was
says
a
disconnected.
yeah, same.
API disconnected.
Honestly,
Yeah,
it looks
same.
chalked anyways, bro.
Yeah, it does. That's a
They
good
took over
sign
the
for
line.
us to just get the heck up out of here today. Yeah, no more trading
That's
today. We
real.
did good today, man.
You
We
might
did
agree.
real good. We got 50 pips on the last move, or 43 pips on the last trade, and then Asian was beautiful and London was amazing. So little hat trick here. What more can you ask for? You know what I mean?
Literally, bro.
Bro,
By
that's
the
it.
way, I was able to get the winner. So we did a giveaway. So It's tough to do the giveaways because it's too much spamming. So what I did was we randomly did the giveaway. So we got 5 ladies that are going to get instant 50K funded accounts. They're already been chosen. Yeah, so you guys are already winners. We're going to do it in Asian Sesh tonight. We'll give you guys, or I'm sorry, we'll give you girls the account. In Asian Session tonight, we'll tell you guys or tell you girls who won. And then we also have 5 for the boys here. So yeah. 10 50K instant funded giveaways are out and about, but you'll hear if you won later on today.
We blessing the men and women, bro.
We're gonna make you wait a little bit, you know.
We're our brothers and sisters. We got y'all.
Yeah, and by the way, no accounts should have been like put in yet. So if you guys won already, whether it be Asian last night, London, or Asian the night before, none of the accounts have actually been registered yet. So if you haven't gotten yours, don't worry about it. And if you haven't heard back from me yet, if you text me or message me or whatever, and we haven't talked yet, message me back, please. Please and thank you. Was the last trade a celery? The last trade was like a breakout. Yeah, 15-minute breakout. Yeah, because we basically broke out of that range right there, and then that was that. Yeah. The London session was that was where? Right here, right? Yeah, 3:30. So just a money.
Bro, what a trade.
I mean, just money right here. Look at this. Sells on the break of that low. All right, beautiful clean range coming down. Decent stops here, and voila, right into that support zone.
Bro.
94 pips. That was a beauty. Nice little hat trick today here in the clubhouse. W's in Asian, W's in London, and W's in New York.
Yes, sir.
Bro, I was perfect timing for that London session trade too.
Bro, you came in 3
right
minutes
at London
before.
Open.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
I'll usually get up for pre-London, but I didn't get up for pre-London today, but I was up for London Open.
That's dope.
And I was there.
Right on time.
Yeah, bro. Right in the nick of time, bro. I guess this one's right in the gem of time. I just showed up to press buy exactly, bro.
Boom, boom, boom. Let's see here. Shotty Gems had to hit best spot. I'm done. You just show. Oh no, I'm sorry. I was gonna say, damn, you got right. You came right on time for today's New York session trade too. But I forgot you were already here.
Yeah, it's saying Project X has like a network issue right now.
Gotcha. Yeah, we can't
better keep
take
my green,
any
bro.
trades. Yeah. So it's not that we don't want to take trades, it's not allowed to. What's going on here? Yeah, nothing. Rejection.
You're locked out.
Clubhouse pockets have been full since Asian. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we got to our bag earlier, so
Seriously.
we're sitting pretty good. Yeah, we're sitting pretty good. Just took $4,400 in payouts here too today, so that was fun. Just in time for the little 2-day break.
Yep.
Do I trade all
Better way to go
sessions?
out.
Yeah, pretty much. I slowed down trading London recently because I've been there for a whole year straight, like working it too and running that whole routine, but mainly because I started working out and taking my workouts like very serious with my trainer and all that, and I need some sleep, right, for my muscles to actually grow. So yes, I've been paying more attention to that and stuff, and I ain't even trying to get in Magnus's way, bro. I get up there and mess everything up. Magnus just on an absolute heater. I don't think he needs any sort of assistance up there. So yeah, so
Magnus is the London version of Nick, pretty much.
bro,
you know?
literally, like, you are in such good hands with Magnus in the London session. It's not even funny. Like, just almost, I mean, one of my best mentees, right, that I've had the privilege of coaching. So, and speaking of that, we're jumping on a coaching.
Look at the trade today.
Elite call today, right?
Yeah, elite call today.
Yeah,
it's
we
gonna
got
be
a
fire.
one-on-one coaching call today.
Oh,
So
man.
just in the
Look at
nick
the
of
trade
time.
he took today, bro. You know, like he
Yeah, that was
knows what
terrible.
an inverted celery is.
definitely.
Yup.
Nah, what's that, John?
Do I celebrate Thanksgiving? I celebrate every day. I don't even believe in holidays, or I don't do any of that stuff. I'm completely outside of the societal standards at this point. I don't do any of that stuff.
Lovely.
Honestly, I would like to say I truly believe nothing, bro.
Yeah.
Honestly.
That's because, like, if you believe, you don't know. So that means legit. You, like, when we say nobody knows nothing, like, there almost couldn't be any further from the truth. Nobody knows nothing. Right? So I don't
believe nothing besides universal laws. That's all I believe in.
Yeah, it's just another day. I'll probably be shooting some content for YouTube in the clubhouse tomorrow for a little bit, and then some of my brothers and stuff are just gonna come over. Maddie's gonna come over, hang out, just chill, and then Friday we're gonna do some giveaways in Tampa and go feed the homeless and stuff. So we just look at every day as we're grateful to be here. It's exciting. Let us rejoice. Let us be glad in it, and just have a good time here.
Yeah, facts, man.
I don't even do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I don't even participate in weekdays anymore. Because you know why? Because these I want to really just right. They give us the term weekdays, right? And even though they spell it with 2 E's, they want our mind to comprehend it like this. Oh, my bad.
Yeah.
Weekend, weekdays. You got weekdays,
Week.
and I don't participate in weekdays. I stay strong all day, so I don't really believe in. I've basically pushed my mind off of all this crazy stuff. I look like a crazy person out there these days.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro.
I ditched all my designer BS clothes, everything. I walk around looking like a homeless man, literally.
Yes,
Literally.
yeah.
I got all the best of the best, all the best of it here. I just give it away now. I don't even care for it.
It's a secret
roll
right
around.
there, bro.
Yeah.
None of that stuff even matters, bro.
It really doesn't though.
What matters is, are you healthy? Do you love your relationships, right? Like, do you know how to think?
He
Like,
said,
those
"I'll
stuff
take the
matter
Gucci."
way more. Do you have like a roof over your head? Like, do you have food in your mouth and shelter? Like, that stuff matters way more, in my opinion, than like materialistic things. I feel like
100%.
those things truly matter. Everything else is really just a commodity. It's just extra, a part of life. But that's what truly matters. Again, relationships, your spirit, your health, your wealth, bro. Really,
Yeah, bro. Quality relationships, bro. That's a very big asset to have right there.
Exactly, bro. But the things that were given to us for free, people,
Exactly.
easily overlook that and only
Facts.
focus on the things that money can buy, or Louis Vuitton bag or something like
Yeah,
that.
bro.
Bro,
Literally,
I can roll up
exactly.
here right now. I'll show you Louis V, Gucci, all that stuff, bro. But you never see me wear any of that. You see me rock someone gave me this hoodie. Someone just hooked me up. Shout out to Stephen B. Stephen B just gave me this hoodie. I'll be rocking just regular shirts, right? Regular, like
Literally.
that stuff really is boring. I must admit.
And he does, for real. I've been there. He does.
Yeah, I got it all. I just never wear that stuff. Again, when you're a brokey, so to speak, right? Like, just, it's a term, right? You think you want all that stuff. I want the Gucci, I want the Louis, I want this, I want that, I want this car, that car. But then once you finally like put in the work, you realize how hard it was to get to where you are, and all of a sudden you're like, I'm not paying, $1,250 for another shirt. Like, that would be stupid, right? To not even wear. So yeah, you just start thinking about that type of stuff too. It's like, but when you don't have it, you want it all. But when you got it, you're like, that ain't worth it. That ain't worth it. That ain't worth it, because you knew what it takes to not only get it, but to sustain it.
Yeah.
I'm more focused on different things, trying to remember who I actually am, trying to expand my level of consciousness, like learn how to love and all that stuff in very, very high ways, get to that point of frequency, which is in a way like the highest form of frequency. I'm focused on creating the life I want. I don't really focus on all that other stuff. These are like the deeper meanings of life, where I've now realized I can write things down in a notebook, sit for 15 minutes every morning, visualize and feel as if that is my reality, and then in a couple months I can have it. And I've done that time and time and time and time again now. So I've now fallen in love with this process. I've fallen in love with the idea that I am from a creator. right? And with the ability to create myself. Now, the problem is we probably won't go too deep, right? But the kingdom of heaven's within, right? It's not without. So a lot of people are like seeking it, begging for it, saying sorry, apologizing, feeling bad, feeling unworthy. And that's really not what we're here to do, right? We're not separate from any sort of source. We're one with it. So you need to step into that, enjoy that, and then get creative in that. You know, that's what you're here to do. These are deeper meanings of life, though. This isn't like my new Louis V sunglasses. Like, oh, cool, bro. I got the Meta sunglasses. I got it all. You know, you don't see me.
Exactly, man. The word says too, what does it profit a man to gain the world but lose his soul? So it's like, what does it profit a man to get all these things here, which you can just buy with money and all that you didn't get when you were born? But, you know, it's much more worth just getting something to his soul. And if you really look to what Nick just said there, he only mentioned things that money can't buy, literally.
Yeah, and like, ultimately, this may go over a lot of heads here. Right? And you may get this one in a week or two or a month or two, but ultimately life is about becoming conscious of the consciousness experience of life. Does that make sense? I bet you it doesn't. You'll have to play that one back, listen to it a couple times, but it's way deeper. But look, when you're struggling in debt, and you're working your 9-to-5 job and you're focused on materialistic things and you care what everyone thinks about you, you can never, and I mean never, even think about some of these deeper meanings of life and how to get them under control and situated.
Yeah, I agree with you, bro. We're all
Top
one,
step
bro.
servers are down. Yeah, they are.
We're all
Yeah,
one.
yeah, they're down.
Yeah,
Yeah, we all won.
And like real quick, like the more I realized, like the more I compared like the religious way of kind of like the way, right? But by the way, Jesus' original followers were followers of the way, right? And as much as I started reading specifically the red letters, I realized that in religion, when I was in prayer, I was fearful, I was unworthy, I was sorry, I was begging.
scared. Oh, yeah, you're saying.
I was, fearful, right?
Yep.
I was detached, right? I
follower.
was, not one, right? But then when I started looking at the red letters and really seeing what Jesus was trying to teach us a bit, right? That's where I started feeling peace, composure, intuition, true identity, oneness, love, right? What we were just talking about. So this has been a major shift in my life over the last year and a half, right? And it's been an absolute blessing to dive into some of these deeper things and more, like I said, more meaningful things that come with life.
Yeah, man. I agree, bro.
It's working now? Nah,
mine's still not.
mine ain't working.
Nope.
Literally
My
can't
goodness,
get
we
it.
could have been rich already. It's all it's all Project X's fault.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we would have made so much money
Was there
today.
no topic, I think. Was there no topic?
Nah,
there?
there was no topic.
I bet. So
I'm just kidding.
I agree though. I agree with you, Nick, for real.
The problem is most people won't come out
Powerful
and
stuff.
tell you this because
Seems
they're gonna get bashed by the religious people or the religious leaders. But doesn't it sound a little bit like what Jesus was doing, huh? Little bit, right? Just a smidge bit, right? So a lot of times when you bring this new information, you're going to be, you're the messenger in a way that's going to kind of be, in a way, the martyr, right? But it will open. I can't even tell you how many people have reached out to me and messaged me saying, hey, look, like everything that you're saying is beginning to make sense. I'm having revelations. I'm having visions, like, of all that you're kind of making us aware of. And that's really what Jesus was trying to do. When he said when we're talking about saving, we're talking about saving your consciousness, right? Enlightening you and awakening you. That's really what it was. You don't really believe there's a man inside of you, do you? Like the Christ within is the Christ consciousness, right? There's not a man in you. You guys do realize that, right? Christ was not his last name. It's what he was representing. Yeah. So
Yeah, man.
Seek and you shall find, my friend. Seek and you shall find.
Exactly. If God created the universe and we come from the universe, then we should be a part of God, right? And I would say, and we can use universal laws that guarantee us, you know, results and stuff. And I feel like God expresses himself through those natural laws. And I think prayer is supposed to be used through those laws. Like, I feel like miracles equals using spiritual laws properly, you know? And yeah.
Religious people, why can't you comprehend that, like, the spirit is you, dude?
Exactly.
Right?
God.
It's you. You are a part of the divine source, right? There's nothing outside or anything that you need. It's, you know, it's you, gang. I don't know. It didn't come from God. How do you know? It's the same voice in your head. How do you know, right? Well, I was in, you know, this, I gotta get the word of God. Well, how do you know that was God speaking to you if it was just you speaking to you? How do you know? Christ said, seek within. Seek the kingdom. The kingdom is within.
That's the reason why we talked about meditation so much. And some of you probably are like, this meditation thing is it's just stupid. just do it. Just put it into practice, because once you get into the door and you look around and you see and you experience what you do, you won't go back. Trust. Now you're gonna in a way kind of experience where you come from.
Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
Yep.
Yep.
You guys are paying attention to the preschool version. It's much deeper than that. Remember, everything is in parables. Everything's meant to be decoded.
Hell yeah, bro.
Including Top Step's Project X platform here.
Yeah, what's going on here, bro? Exactly.
Can we decode it?
That's why, like, when you look within, like, when you start looking within, like, for positive things, now why all of a sudden your world literally seems like heaven. Like, honestly, when I have a positive mentality, which I always do, try to, right?
Whoa.
My world looks like heaven, bro.
We're out of
You know what I'm
here.
saying?
We've been kicked out.
Yeah.
What the hecky?
Clearly.
Holy smokes.
All right, our job is done. We did it again.
I think we're good.
Once again. And
Again and again.
Yeah. Asia, get some rice and noodles. Let's go.
Get your rice and noodles ready for Asian session. Yeah, last Asian session.
Can I get some hibachi tonight, Rafi?
Hibachi.
We need to when I come in, bro.
Oh, bro.
We need to.
We're
in the schedule.
We're definitely doing it. And Rafi, we're gonna tell him, bro, bring in some extra yum sauce, you know?
Oh, they will have to, bro. Just bring me a different cup for it. So
Different cup? Yeah. Oh my god.
Magnus, you weren't messing with that yum sauce, I remember.
Yeah, bro, I had it. Yo, yeah. You got like
you had it?
You got some of mine. That's right. Yeah.
Yo, Magnus, don't forget to bring those little snackies.
Snackies?
Nah, don't bring those.
Save those. Give those to like some family members back home in Denmark.
Yeah, man.
It's okay.
Bro, come on. No. Bro, just try to be kind.
That's good. I like these guys. They bring gifts and all that. It's lovely.
Yeah.
It's
awesome,
lovely.
Bro, I don't know though. Hibachi, that might be like a little bit too much food, but you know, the day before Thanksgiving, so maybe not that tonight.
Just save it for December.
I'll save it for December, bro. Yeah.
There you go.
Or I'll save it for the day after Thanksgiving.
Or that.
Nah, yeah. Both, bro, both.
Man, Big M is ready to go.
Okay. Oh my god, I can eat that right now, bro.
You eating already? Oh my goodness. Holy.
Bro, looks like he's at like a Chinese buffet right now.
Oh my goodness, bro. You're making me hungry.
Sorry to break it to you, but like I don't. Someone asked, do you celebrate the holidays? Like, maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm a little paranoid, but wouldn't the whole turkey thing be a complete setup? Right? Like, hey, all these gremlins, all these little peasants are going to go out and buy these turkeys. Why don't we just mess with the turkeys, right? Why don't we just put stuff in the turkeys that we may want to put in them, but we can't because they would know, right? So it's like, I don't know. I'm like, yo, these guys are trying to, the Matrix just be trying to set us up at all points. So you got to be aware, man. It's a perfect setup. I mean, you fall right into that trap. without even knowing
Bro,
it, right? In
You do know they
Let's
put
just
some
realize
bags
this, bro.
in meat.
yeah. By the way, the turkeys, they're normally
This
like
is
this
what I'm
big,
on.
then they're like that big for Thanksgiving. Like, what happened there?
Bro, you're sounding crazy, but literally not.
Hey,
You
I'm a
realize,
crazy
though,
guy.
that, like,
I'm a cuckoo, man.
Bro, I agree. That could definitely be happening.
They give an extra. It gives a little different term to stuffing.
right, bro.
I am enjoying
But
life.
you realize though the
I really am.
Matrix-
I'm having a grand old time. I'm having a
you
great time
realize-
seeing through the illusion too.
I'm at that point though right now, bro, where I've realized the Matrix, you know, whatever you want to call them, a group of powerful people. I realize that they control everything, you know, especially the mainstream media.
Everything,
they control
man.
everything. I'm deciding to believe in nothing at this point. Like I said, I believe in nothing besides universal laws at this
Seek
point
truth.
in my life, honestly.
Yep.
And it, you know, that's it.
Yep. Early in the morning, he woke up while it was still dark and went out into a solitary place where he spoke to his Father in heaven. How you doing? Don't worry about the Matrix.
Yep.
Don't worry about what's going on. Spend time alone. Don't do that. That's what spend time with us, the church says. Yeah, I'm sure, right? Don't be afraid to do that. If the guy that is you're claiming to worship the most is doing that, then why wouldn't you follow suit? Huh? See you in Asian session, brother. Later.
Got you
I'm gonna bounce here, bro.
30-minute close bullish. I
Sir.
can't even see the charts, brother. I have no idea what's going on right now. Yeah.
Let's hope,
Bro,
let's hope
it closed with no
Project X
top
doesn't-
wick.
How do you? I can't even see my charts.
I'm on top one. That's why.
Top one, I can't see
Yeah, I
anything
can't see
because
it either, bro.
my live account's not here yet. Let's see if
that's bad.
let's see if it loaded up. No.
That's a sign from the universe saying, "All right, John, just go home." You know, like charts are done, bro. You're green. Keep that.
Do I read the Bible? Yeah, I know the Bible very well. You don't come to this awareness, to this awakening, if you don't know the Bible, right? If you're lukewarm, this stuff you're like, no, what is he saying? Right? That's not what my pastor told me. But if you are an avid studier and a seeker of truth, right? Not just a programmed robot to believe anything you've been told, but to truly seek, right? For the deeper answers, right? Which is what I've done, and which is really. I like how that everything I've done recently had all to do with the red letter words, yet religious people are calling me out for it. I find that extremely interesting, right?
Yeah, that's wild.
Very interesting. So, yeah, so I've been studying the word for many years, and there's a lot of great spiritual truth in there, but there's also a lot of. You ever heard Jesus talk about the wheat and the tares? That's in the word itself. The enemy has planted in the word itself to deceive you guys. So you have to be able to filter and decode and really listen to what Jesus was talking about, really, right? Yeshua, right? Was listen to what he was talking about. And again, they've made up a lot of things and they've planted, some things in the word to deceive you. It's just you can't argue with it. You really can't.
No, really.
That's why I don't believe it. Believe none of it.
Yep.
All right, fam. I'll see you guys tonight. Yeah. You all
Rob.
have a good day. Have a good job.
I love these combos.
I need to go
People,
here
bro.
at 9:30.
Peace, bro.
All right, G. Have a
I
great
just
day.
can't
right?
go, bro. I just can't go.
I'll see you, bro.
Um,
I'll see you.
No, for real. Peace. Stay out of trouble.
Yes,
out there.
sir.
See you,
Peace,
bro.
man.
See you, bro. Yeah, people think Christ and the devil are like characters, bro. I think they're just metaphors for different mental state of beings, bro, which connects within the universal laws and how you use universal laws. You can use, it's a double-edged sword, like there's laws that you can use that can hurt you or help you. And that's what I believe, in.
Yeah.
Bro,
Let me ask you this: who is salvation for? Do you think the Messiah? That just depends. Do you want the answer from Paul, or do you want the answer that Jesus gave? Because they were two totally different answers. If you read the book,
go. Yeah, right.
go read the book.
Go ask
they got
ChatGPT.
Nah, whatever you do, don't ask ChatGPT. Go read the book. Okay, I don't think we're going to be trading anymore here today, my friends. We made some money here today. We had some good conversation, and I think that's probably going to wrap it up. This is going to be the last live stream from for the week here too. So I'm glad we ended with a bang. We're keeping our run going. It's absolutely incredible, and yeah, let's keep this up. We're on a heater here. I think what has it been?
Trader heaven on earth.
What do we say the last loss in the New York session was it September? I think it was September or something, or early October. I think it might have been. Yeah, that was it right there. So that was actually our last loss in the New York session. Insane. Other losses here, but just not here in New York. So yeah, let's keep up the great work, man. It's been over almost 2 months here. So let's keep up the great work. Let's keep trading well. Does anyone have any last minute questions before we dip out of here at all? Anyone?
Someone's asked me if I believe in God, and yes, absolutely, I believe in God. I just don't believe in any of the religions. None of them. Just God.
Yeah.
Just higher power. I believe God is natural laws, and that's it. I don't believe religions. I think religions were all created by humans. They're all man-made, meant to like indoctrinate people or whatever, you know. Like, I don't believe in that. You know, I believe in higher power, natural laws that are guaranteed to work. So yes, I do believe in God. I believe in higher power. It was a political
hoax, and then it just turned into something, you know, that you see today. Trust me. All right. I think we're good. Yeah. The awakening continues, my friends. Hey, we don't want to tell you what to think. We just want to teach you to think. That's all. I promise. We could be wrong about every single thing we ever set up here. All right. Love you guys, though. My heart is always to help you, to impact you, to guide you in the right direction, and that's what we'll continue to show up here and do on a day-to-day. So great trading here today. Great patience, great discipline. I would stick around if Top Step or whatever these Project X was up and running, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. So we're going to jump on an elite call with Magnus and then get ready for the day.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah. All right.
Awesome.
Chat.
Great session, boys.
Love you guys, for real. Super grateful for you guys. I hope you're all blessed here today. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you guys in the clubhouse tonight for Asian, and then everyone else back on YouTube. We'll see you guys for Monday morning. So if you guys want to trade with us all throughout the week, make sure to jump in the clubhouse today. Like, not now, but like right now, right? From the south. Like, not now, but right
like
now.
Before 10:30.
Because we're doing some epic, and I mean epic things over here. So love you guys. We'll see you guys on the next live stream. Enjoy your time off, and we'll see you guys on the next one. All right.
Yes, sir.
Magnus,
see you in a minute, Nick.
Johnny Gems.
Peace, John.
Peace, G's.
Stay great. Stay winning.
Yeah. Stay great, my friends. We out of here. Love y'all.
Feeling
Peace.
so tall, I could give a high five to the pilot. Yeah, family tight, I keep small circle like island. Whoa, inbox full of contracts, I sign with a stylist. Yeah, blue faces blowing up like violet. Talk about the things they're gonna say when they see me, and when they see me, they just dap me up and say good to meet me. I keep it going, flowing over this and make it look easy. Easy for me to say I do this every day of the week. I'm eager to be the one they talk about when all said and done with it. I'm the feature that they want, but then they don't when I come with it. I'm a scene, still a seat, filler, blow up the numbers, and I ain't leaving no crumbs, so you know when I'm done with it. I'm a new school vibe with an old soul, oh so great. Stay paid by the boatload, don't go chasing a wave. I'm a rowboat, blow smoke right through the face of the ozone. Oh no, I got the bag, I'm back to just double it. I'm about to pop the top, I've been bubbling. They want the spot, but I do not cut them in. They tryna plot my drop, they been huddling. Feeling so tall, I could give a high five to the pilot. Yeah, family tight, I keep small circle like island. Whoa, inbox full of contracts, I sign with a stylist. Yeah, blue faces blowing up like violet.
I know a lot of people praying for my downfall, but the only thing that I'll be down for is being top 5, but like down 4. I'm down to earth like the ground floor, but I've been flying so long, I tend to ask people, what's the ground for? Man, I'm only headed up, see my flow volcanic, this the fire I erupt. Heard the fans getting rowdy cause they haven't had enough. You know I'm running the city, you just running out of luck. Yeah, I said that with my chest, I flow hard, it's no wonder they easily impressed. I'm so far, but I'm always coming back with something fresh. I never rest, swear you'll never catch this ego in a nest. I invest my time in the booth, I find a piece. I used to piece the boom in my mind. My ex knows this, let me expose this. She left cause she don't wanna be with an explosive. Man, I'm just
feeling so tall, I could give a high five to the pilot. Yeah, family tight, I keep small circle like island. Whoa, inbox full full of contracts I signed with a stylist. Yeah, blue faces blowing up like violet.
All I do is make fire, I'm a caveman. Never dropped the ball, got great hands. I was younger, it was get rich or die trying. Now I'm grown, still rolling with the same plans. Had other plans, I made two. Not one of them was struggle or just make do. Never satisfied and still the same dude. So when I made my first million, had to make two.
When I'm sliding on the beat, they like, who is that? Point flipper, way that I be turning heads. Side stage, stomach turning, I'm a nervous wreck. Till I heard the fans and the kick, pull the curtain back. Wow, hey, big wig, I don't need a hairpiece. Big dog, no leash, they know I'm a rare breed. Big shoes, can't fill them, this a rare feat. Big price, no sale, but I'm still carefree. Yeah, sweet 16s for the diabetics. Any era, I don't care, I'm the guy to get it. If it's 80-42, then I'm a violinist. Still the illest, go ahead, check the hieroglyphics. Yeah, said it's impossible, huh? It's impossible, huh? Oh man, you know if anyone can, I can.
Make fire, I'm a caveman. Never dropped the ball, got great hands. I was younger, it was get rich or die trying. Now I'm grown, still rolling with the same plans. Had other plans, I made two. Not one of them was struggle or just make do. Never satisfied and still the same dude. So when I made my first million, had to make two. Big hitter, baby, I'm in the fourth spot. Been in this position, ain't a shortstop. Every song go, my catalog up at Fort Knox. Thinking they can get in on this, baby, of course
They
not.
don't even know what it takes, it's a lethal dose. Make it look easy, think they got it, they ain't even close. Play Nintendo in Japan, baby, we remote. Paling in comparison, they looking like they seen a ghost. Yeah, counting it, went exactly how we plotted, there was not a twist. Saw exactly what we wanted and we got it ish. That's why we scratching off everything that's on the list. Listen, not a bit. Said it's impossible, huh? It's impossible, huh? Oh man, you know if anyone can, I can.
Make fire, I'm a caveman. Never dropped the ball, got great hands. I was younger, it was get rich or die trying. Now I'm grown, still rolling with the same plans. Had other plans, I made two. Not one of them was struggle or just make do. Never satisfied and still the same dude. So when I made my first million, had to make two.